Like this video, like this video, like this video. There's nothing left to say. Like this video, like this video, like this video. There's nothing left to say. Oh, shit. It is the official King Pain show. Yay. It is the home of the lituation. It is the little place on earth. Yeah, it's the one and only. Dust free zone with gather in close. You'll never guess what we found in the dust. Well, you see the title. Jaguar Wright failed to appear in court today, and she has not one but 2 warrants out for her arrest. You guys stay tuned for the updates. Attorneys motion to withdraw has been granted. So Jaguar Wright is without legal representation or without a paid attorney. She now is in the hands of a public defender. Oh, and did anyone else see that epic Piers Morgan fail? My. All that and more coming up directly after these commercial breaks. Like this video, like this video, like this video. I've been laughing all day. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. All that and more coming up directly after these commercial breaks.
My mom said I need to do something with my hair, otherwise I gotta get it all cut off.
We booked an appointment at Style Kings at the barbershop. Let's go.
Do you want fabulous hair? Are you looking for a product strong enough to tame your 4C hair?
Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom, you don't have no more leave-in conditioner?
Give me that. I know you did not use my Style King leave-in conditioner.
Are you looking to knock the dust off them dreads? For a product that will rejuvenate and strengthen your hair, increase hair growth and shine, and smells great? Well, then you're in the right place. For the long, beautiful, healthy hair you deserve, choose Style King. Perfect on all hair types. Available online at theofficialkingpain.net. Get you some style today. Oh, and your mom called says she needs some more conditioner. Security! Security, the critters are here. The critters are here. Crown family gathering close. We had a crash landing of critters. Yes, it did. Weird. Okay, over here. The fucking critters in the motherfucking building. All that and more coming up directly after these commercial breaks. So, girl, what did you expect? Bitch, the critters is upset. The critters are upset with, okay, on period, but the receipts, girl. But the receipts don't lie. Yes, it did. This is the official King Pain show where we stick to the motherfucking receipts. Often imitated, never duplicated. We ain't gathering close. Yes, the critters are already in the motherfucking bushes. We ain't okay on period. They got all their notifications turned on, and you should too. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes. We continue to grow each and every day. Hold on, let me get some of this dust up off the screen. Hey, Gail. Thank you for yours. Shout out to all of the support. You guys all follow my friend Gail over to the support feature. Weird, okay on period, and make them critters really upset when we don't even have a number of the day. We don't even have a number of the day. Quick! We need a number of the day where we got to make sure that we're hitting our quotas. When you guys all follow Gail over there to the support feature. And that's just what that was. What the word? Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. Not the official campaign is spreading misinformation. You need to take that up with Dallas. You need to take that up with Dallas. They got a new energy about Jackie on today when they updating the system like this. They updating the system like this with okay on period and Jackie. You better surrender, girl. You are in danger, girl. Don't listen to Slow Dale. Don't listen to Slow Dale. You didn't take your ass up there to court today. No, you did not. Not only do we have eyes and ears in the courtroom, but we had eyes and ears on you. You went live this morning and you called the courthouse alleging that you couldn't make it. Piers Morgan. And ultimately, the lie did not work. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Jackie, you don't have no fucking job, bitch. Stop acting like you're employed. Oh, shit. That is not an emergency with, and you didn't have any reason to miss court on today. Where, and who gonna check me with? And who gonna check me with? Here go the link. Here go the link. Who gonna check me with? What is you talking about? Scary asshole. And the number of the day is 25. I know that's right. Hey, Joannick. Period. Period. Shout out to everybody here. Shout out to everybody watching. Shout out to everybody supporting. Shout out to the trophies in advance. Trophies. Y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Oh, who's ready to get into some things? Who's ready to get into some things? Oh, well, you guys already know how we do around here. Before we get into the mess, and this is the mess, child. Like Jackie, like how can you ever figure that you're going to revitalize your never happening career if you're never going to get your shit together? My, my, my. My, my, my. It is time for our Crown Family anthem. Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Represent your shit. Let me know where you're watching from, when, what you think about what's going on, when Jackie going to jail. Prego, prego. My, dingleberry. Yeah, stuck up in Jackie's belly to win. Yes, it did. All that and more coming up. Yes, it did. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's time for our Crown Family anthem.
Lift every chair.
Hey, Crown Family.
And swing till our end say,
like this video, like this video, like this video. Where?
Down by that river front.
Y'all see them critters? Let me know.
We did
yeah.
our thing.
Take a bath, Jackie. Take a fucking bath.
Throw your hat
Where
up.
my trophies at? Where my
If
trophies
you
at? Where my trophies
may
it's lit.
swim to that dock.
Yeah.
So fast.
This is the interactive
You mess
segment
with
of your day.
one, we all gonna come be your way.
Yes, you did.
Swing a chair,
gather in close,
pull some hair.
Jackie wish she had some hair.
Fade in the water.
With that pissy pepper, having it go.
In the water, children fade.
That whole right
in the water.
Yeah.
Start some shit and end up
got that ass
in the water.
Like the car did. Yes, it did.
Start some shit and
no
end up in the water. Let the church say amen. You dig?
Like this video, like this video, like this video. We've got a lot of things to get into. You see the title? Jackie didn't take her funky, smelly, rusty neck ass down the court on today winning. She has not one but 2 warrants for her arrest, insufficient bond, failure to appear. Dusty. I mean, what is she doing? She's unemployed, homeless. She clearly has no reason to not appear. The attorney's motion to withdraw was granted. Stay tuned to figure out why. Ooh. And live reaction to Piers Morgan. Epic fail. That's what I should have put in there. Epic fail. Epic. I need to add epic to the title because the fail was epic. The way that Piers Morgan gave her the boot and kept a straight face, like, girl, I'm not that strong yet. I got to work on my strength. When the way the show just kept going with. The way that Vlad TV came on up after her, like she's a clown ass beach girl, a conspiracy theorist, and a known liar. I was like, girl, go off, Vlad. Yes, sister. Yes, sister. Vlad was reading Jackie her rights. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Oh shit. I got all the receipts. With okay on period. Oh, y'all like this video, like this video. Now before we get into the mess, because this is some dusty shit here, it is time for our crown family roll call. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Stand up and be acknowledged when. Oh, it's time to acknowledge the crown. What the world needs now is love, sweet love. It's the only thing we get way too little of. Like this video. Let me see those crowns in the chat. It's time for our crown family roll call. Yes, we pulling out the Lituation Express on today. Where it's time to celebrate with. It's getting closer and closer to the apprehension of the wildebeest. Yes, indeed. Ooh. Hopefully this time is better than the last. Because the last time that video they was trying to sell 2,500 trash. Okay, on period. All the other times was she was motherfucking hog-tied and tackled when was much better, and they were all free. So yeah, hopefully they're not trying to pull those stunts again. You know them 2 stunt queens over there, Jackie and Slowdale. Yeah, they try to stage her arrest so they can make a few get some cash out. Yeah, you know how trifling them hoes is over there when. Leave it to the Fisher King Pain to bring some clarity to a dusty situation. Is my friend here? Where my friend went? Oh, friend. Hey, friend. There go my friend. Shout out to my friend Sean Davy Way in the motherfucking building. Yes, he did. Whenever you guys get a chance, make sure that you guys are checking out the Sean Davy Way show right here on YouTube. Yes, and he got this coffee shit. It be lit too. Okay, on period. Make sure that you guys are checking it out and subscribe. When yeah, so hey friend. Oh, I seen you over there getting Jackie together on today. Yes, he did. Y'all like this video? Let me see those crowns in the chat. It's time for our crown family roll call. Hey Tata P, what's going on? It's your country girl Queena in the building. OG Tan Baby in the house. Kimberly Lachelle, a kiss of bliss. What's going on? OG Tan Baby in the building. Just Mona in the house. Tracy, Renee, Rhonda, me. Hey, Ferran. Like this video. Like this video. Did you like this video? Hey Michi, what's going on? She'll use her bipolar certificate of non-competency to excuse herself. She always does when she doesn't want to accept accountability. No, Michi, unfortunately, she cannot do that this time because Jaguar has been found competent. Do I need to pull out the paperwork? She is competent when we've already gone through all of that, okay, on period. We've been there, we've done that when. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Lock her ass up and throw away the key. Hey, Truth. Hey, friend. Oh, I sure hope we don't have to go on back and start all over again. Yes, it did. Being that Jackie's cases have been closed until she is apprehended. My, are they starting all over? Oh, my. All that and more coming up. Girl. Yes. Hey, okay, girl. Period. 10 toes down. Period for the crown. I know that's right. Yes, we all gonna come. Period. Period. Hey, Val. Hey, friend. Shout out to Val in the building. King Gemini in the house. These clowns crazy as fuck. Joannic in the building. Where my trophies at? This show, we not starting the show until the trophies pop up. I'm gonna be stalling all day until the trophies pull in. Okay, on period. I'll be stalling all day till the trophies pull in. Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Weird. Okay, on period. We waiting on you to start the show. Yes, it did. You said, hey Sharon, by way of Arkansas. I know that's right. Minky Finky. Hey friend. Time. Hey friend. Time love in the building. Yes, it did. Hey, friend, Storm Fluent in the house. I know that's right. Devin. Hey, Devin. I'm so glad to see you, friend. Yes, it did. Money in the middle. I know that's right. I know that's right. Hey, friend. Yes, yes, like this video, like this video, like this video's up and it's stuck, and of course the critters are in the house. Ooh, be careful, Win. Be careful not to get no dust on you, Win. Okay, up here, Jackie and Slow Deal was one of the first to motherfucking pull up. I don't know what's going on. The security had to stop them at the door. Yeah, you know they slithered in somewhere. You know they slithered in somewhere. Y'all smell them hoes. I smell it. I smell the Odell's boil on the back of his neck when that motherfucking keloid when it's motherfucking funking up the place. Yes, bear with me, Crown family. Iridescent unicorn farts. Yeah, he got a big ass. Yeah, that's why he ain't got no friend. His wife told him, girl, Anise, girl, she told it all weird. Yes, it did. Have you guys been reading the public documents? Whenever you get through, hey, King Gemini. Hey, friend. Yes, I have some of the best mods on earth. I know. Brienne. Hey, Brienne. What's going on? Guys, Holly's Finds in the building. Yes, it is. Oh, is the support features pinned? Y'all make sure that the support features are pinned right now. Yes, it is. Felicia. Hey, Felicia, friend. Guys, Danielle. Hey, Danielle. Talk with Tootsie, Tamitra. Yes, it did. Oh, Rory. Skilo for y'all. I'm so glad that you can make it. Oh, shout out to everybody here. Shout out to everybody watching. Shout out to Do the Right Thing. Go ahead. Yes, like this video, like this video, like this video. Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? When okay on period, y'all gotta hey special girl, okay on period. Y'all gotta turn up some more. When we need YouTube to send out my notifications. When okay on period. I need you to set on my notifications when. Hey, Miss Spinach. Hey, friend. Angie B. I'm so glad that you can make it. Latasha Black. Period. Yes, please hit the like. Please hit the like. Please hit the like. We have 230 people in here. We should have 230 likes on this video. When we need our notifications to go out. Hey, Angel McCants. What's going on? Yes, it's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. Please hit the like. Please hit the like. Please hit the like. My. We got a lot of things going on. We got a lot of things going on here in the home of the lituation. Yes, let's generate them likes. Let's get them likes up. How many likes do we have, mods? How many likes do we have, Miles? We have 240 people in the building. We should have 240 likes. Win. Gathering close. Gathering close. Win. Gather. Hey, Lynn, what's going on? Let me see those crowns in the chat. Let me see those crowns in the chat. If you are ready to get into some things, hashtag let's go. And let me see those crowns in the chat. Okay, on period. We're looking for our trophies to pull up. We need our trophies to pull in here. Win. Okay, on period. It's a whole lot of shit going on. So you know they the backbone of the platform. Hey, Daddy Leah, the head model around this motherfucker. I know that's right. Oof. Ooh, I know we can do a lot better on the like. That's what's going on. It's a lot more critters, okay, than crowning here. Okay, on period. Yes, we got to change that real quick. We need to change that real quick. We're in Crown Family. I need y'all to flood the chat with crowns. I need y'all to flood the chat with crowns. This is the interactive segment of your day. We need everybody liking this video. We need to get these motherfucking likes up. We need to get the crown in here. We need our trophies in here. And you trigger the algorithm by interacting in the chat. Win. Hey Monique, hey friend, I'm so glad that you can make it. Like this video. Hey Monica, friend. Yes it did. Oh, like this video, Jag Stewart, her son, and Tasha K. Girl, Jag can't afford the complaint. Okay, Jag can't afford to file the documentation. Yes it did. Jackie ain't suing nobody when she can't afford the processes. Yes, it did. Jackie ain't suing nobody. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Let me see those crowns in the chat. Oh, Jackie had a nasty post and delete this morning when another violation. Guys, unfortunately, her Twitter fingers are not quick enough for the crown. I keep on trying to hold this dusty whole weird. I keep on trying to told this dusty whole weird. We got all of the receipts. Okay, over here. What is this? Violation number 3, violation number 4 weird. We're gonna have all other receipts for a niece. Yes, when it's time to add some charges onto the Wilderby. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Gather in close, gather in close, gather in close. Like this video. Critter. Get that bitch up out of here. Hey, Candace. Hey, for you. Yes, our Twitter fingers are faster than Jackie's. Our Twitter fingers are faster than Jackie's. Let me see this chat explode. Okay, I need to see this chat explode when. Okay, I need to see these numbers go up when it's lit. We need to get the notifications out. We need to get the word out when. Okay, we need all hands on deck. Oh, it's getting closer and closer. Closer and closer to the apprehension of the wildebeest. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video. I see these numbers going up. Hey, call my hand. I see the Crown family gathering in close. Yay, so that's how we work. That's how we do. That's how we motherfucking shake these motherfucking YouTube streets up. When continue to like this video, continue to interact in the chat when it's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. Oh, where do we start? Where do we start, y'all? Okay, I'm here. Where do y'all want to start? Jaguar Wright, failure to appear, the court updates when, the Piers Morgan live reaction, or what have you. Gather in close. Hey, Okima. Hey, friend. Yes. I'm so glad that you can make it, Auntie Jan. Yes. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. It's a wonderful day to be crowned. Oh, would you be mine, Crown family? Yeah, subscribe to this video, subscribe to this video, subscribe to this video. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Weird. Okay, up here now. That's what you call influence. You see them numbers jumping up. Okay, Crown family, y'all have influence when. Continue to influence this algorithm. You see what you see how y'all look at these numbers jump up when y'all are doing that. Y'all are doing that. Keep doing that. Whatever y'all doing, keep doing it. Keep liking and or keep interacting with. Yeah, keep doing that. Keep doing that. We need our trophies to pull into the motherfucking lituation win. Yes, it did. Still looking for the trophies. Okay, we can't stall for too much longer, Win. We can't stall for too much longer, Win. Okay, on period. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. We're here in the home of the lituation. Support this video. Yeah, so falling out of the bushes. I know that's right. I know that's right, Win. Yeah, so look at them numbers go up. Look at them numbers go up. It's you. It's you. Oh, baby, it's you. You're the one I want. You're the one I need. It's you, Crown Family. It's you. Yes, it is. Oh, let's see what the girls are saying. Let's see what the girls are saying. What do they want to start when? Oh, the failure to appear, the court updates. I know that's right. Yes, you guys all follow my friend, do the right thing over there to support Feature Win and support the show. Yes, it is. Oh, oh, the failure to appear. Let's start with the court updates. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh. Now I've been telling you guys for the longest that this funky pussy Bumpy Johnson pissy bitch is supposed to be in jail, insufficient bond. Ever since I called down to the bonds company and let them know I no longer wanted to be associated with the Wildebeest, and they removed my name from the bond and made it insufficient. On that day, I knew that she was supposed to be locked up. What was that? 6. I mean, yeah, yeah. June 6, 2024. I called down there to a bail bonds. Is that what it was? And I let they ass know. Remove me from the wildebeest bond. Yes, it did. And on that day, June 6, 2024, Jackie bond became insufficient. Yes, it did. On or around that date. I think it was like closer to June 1st. It was June 1st. And then she went down there for the Gene Deal thing. Got arrested. And then I called down there and removed myself from the bond. That's how it happened when. Yeah, see, I'm not above reproach. That's how it happened when. On or around June 6th. Yes, it did. For the girls. Okay, on period. And did. And did. And somehow, some way, the Blue Sponge alleged they pulled some strings. They called their friends down there at the Cochran Law Firm, and Jackie slithered out of custody. She was not supposed to get out. And ever since then, she's been at large. We've been calling down there, alerting the authorities. And apparently, the reason that Jaguar has been at large for so long is because they had no one working the warrant division, allegedly. But all that has changed clearly. Clearly, when you see how fast they updated that system on today, when all that has changed. Shout out to Danny Robertson. She called down there on the other day to the warrant division, and the woman that answered the phone said, "All I need is to sign off, okay? And this warrant will be activated." And because Jaguar didn't appear in court today, The warrant was pushed through. Yes, it did. All the warrants. Yes, it did. All the warrants pushed through. Jackie has not one, but 2 felony warrants. Failure to appear. Insufficient bond. And I got all the receipts. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. The courts are requesting the immediate apprehension of the wildebeest. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. She is in violation of her bond stipulations. She doesn't have a sufficient bond. She should not be free. Furthermore, she didn't show up to court on today, and I got all of the receipts. Jackie gonna tell you that she did win, okay, on period. But like I stated earlier in this live, and clearly the truth cannot reside where the light is resonating. What happened to them critters? We had eyes and ears in the courtroom on today, and I assure you, Jackie was not there. Mm-hmm. Plus, I got receipts. Gathering close. Okay. So this is Jaguar Wright's felony case for obstruction of justice. And if you guys notice here, the case has become inactive. Do you guys know what that means? Well, when your case becomes inactive, that means that the case is finished and it is now closed. Or that means a warrant for Jackie's arrest has been issued and the case will be reopened once she appears in court. It means that she did not appear for her scheduled court date and that there has been a warrant issued for her arrest. Okay. Gather in close. They still have the attorneys here. But as you can see, they are now all inactive. And Jaguar Wright has no retained legal representation. They're all inactive. Being that the motion to withdraw from the Cochran law firm was granted on today. Gather in close. Again, this is Jaguar Wright's obstruction of justice felony charge, 3rd-degree felony charge that she received on March 21st, 2023. Yes, it did. So, as you guys can see, they added some additional bond settings. Why do you think they added this in here? This wasn't in here before. This is because Jaguar Wright has been in clear violation of her bond stipulations. I don't know if it was the letter from We the People, the letter from Cleo, the letter from Odell's wife, but maybe even the Pierce Morgan interview. But clearly, the authorities have been notified of Jaguar Wright's disturbing behavior and her failure to comply with the court's issued stipulations. Let's see what they added on the portal on today. So, comments, bond setting comments set by magistrate $20,000. Any exceptions, conditions appear in court for scheduled court settings. My. Appear in court for all scheduled court settings. Maybe they added that in because she didn't appear in court today. A clear violation of her bond settings. Notify the court of any change of address or employment. Notify the court of any change of address or employment. Jackie has been living from pillar to post, and we've seen her alleged employment change several times throughout the course of her case. Chances are she hasn't been notifying the courts. Not possessed a deadly weapon. My. I wonder what the deadly weapon could be. My. Maybe she was in close proximity with Odell and he had those, weapons. He's alleging that he has a gun now. Mm-hmm. Yes. Remain arrest-free pending disposition of current offense. Remain arrest-free pending disposition. So, she was arrested for the truck. So, this is a violation of the obstruction of justice because that happened after these bond conditions. Submit to random urinalysis. Do not use illicit drugs. Okay, so who knows if she's submitting to these urinalysis. No contact with the victim. No, not directly or indirectly communicate with the alleged victim or go near residence, school, place of employment, or other place frequented by the victim. My. Input it on today when Jaguar Wright is arrested. She is to be held without bond. Jaguar Wright would like you to think that this is a hoax, this is a game, this is all fake. They don't give you that many chances to break your bond. They've given Jaguar Wright chance after chance after chance, and she continues to manipulate the system and break her bonds. She won't be given another bond. My. Where's the Lituation Express? Where is the Lituation? Jaguar Wright is going to have to fight the rest of this case behind bars. And this case will not resume until Jaguar Wright is behind bars. My. Gather in close. Gather in close. There's more receipts. There is more receipts. Okay. So there's a new docket sheet that was added after Jaguar Wright's failure to appear on today. Let me pull that document up. Here it is. My. That snagger-cooch is a deadly weapon. That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is, friend. I think you're right. Okay, so here is the criminal docket sheet, okay? Yay, so reinstate bond per Judge Huff and recall warrant. My. Now that was June 7th, 2024. So apparently they've realized that they've made a mistake. Jaguar Wright is not supposed to be free. Her bond is insufficient. The motion to withdraw has been granted. The Cochran law firm is off the hook. And Jackie has been given the boot. The bond is held insufficient and a warrant is to be issued. My. Here are some additional comments. It says defendant in with PD attorney. Oh, defendant in contact with public defender attorney. Defendant was found incompetent by Dr. something something, then bonded out. Defendant was here in court, clean and dressed well. She spoke clearly and undistorted. Everything I and the blank said, the court is ordering that defendant be reevaluated by Dr. Lee. Defendant admonished to be at the appointment. Defendant also admonished to stay away and have no contact with criminal witness in the case. Defendant also ordered to not post any information on any internet website about the criminal witness in the case. Defendant stated she understands. So I think that they added this in because Jackie has clearly violated that bond stipulation, going online and talking about the case, talking about the criminal witness. She's gone on public platforms and alleged, conspiracies via Dallas PD and the court systems. She's talked terribly about the judges. So I'm sure that they have caught in the wind, and this is why the docket has now been updated, and Jaguar Wright has not one but 2 felony warrants. My. Let's go check Jaguar Wright's other felony case for theft. Like this video, like this video, like this video right now when there are more receipts where that came from. Jackie and Slowdale are alleging they were down at the courthouse today. I got receipts to show that button. I got receipts to show they wasn't weird. Okay, oh, period. Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Continue to hop out of the bushes and like this video. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. We got all other receipts on deck. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. And she's mad about it. Okay, period. My. Ooh, who can you run to? Jackie! Oh, my. See if Slowdale can get you out of there. My. Gather in close. So this is Jaguar Wright's obstruction of justice felony case. Okay, as you can see, it is also inactive. It has also gone inactive. Again, this means the Jaguar did not appear in court today. There has been a warrant issued for her arrest. The case has been closed, and the case will not resume until Jaguar Wright is apprehended, till she is arrested and behind bars where she belongs. As you guys can see on this case as well, all of the attorneys, the retained attorneys, the Cochran Law Firm, they're inactive. Okay, they have withdrawn from the case, and the judge granted their motion to withdraw. My. This is also a 3rd-degree felony dated on June 7th, 2024 for theft of property. You guys all know she stole the truck. It's crazy that Jaguar Wright is alleging that she didn't do these things when there's video footage online. Like, we witnessed you. We are all witnesses to the felonies that you committed. These will not be dismissed, especially because you are wasting valuable resources by playing with the court's time. You did the crime. Do the time, Jackie. I mean, if you really believe in what you allege that you stand for, you had purpose in running in the mayor's office, running into Legends Barber Shop, acting like a maniac, running into Dallas PD acting like a maniac, then stand on it. Martin Luther King would never. Malcolm X would never. Since you want to bring up real legends, go sit down, Jackie, and really stand on business. They pushing drugs in Dallas? Go make some noise then. Oh, weak ass bitch. It is safe to say that Slowdale and Jackie are officially on the run. Jaguar Wright is on the run, and Slowdale is harboring a fugitive. Gathering close. There's more receipts where that came from. There's more receipts where that came from. Yeah. So as you guys can see, there was a past slip and also an update to the docket. So let me go ahead and pull that up. Here is the update to the docket. Motion to withdraw is granted. Bond held insufficient. Warrant to issue. So there was a warrant also issued on this, as you guys can see. And the bond is also insufficient. Jaguar Wright has no sufficient bond on both of her felony cases. Apparently, what was this bond company called? I forget what the bond company called for this bond because she had a sufficient bond on this. I forget what the name of the bond company was called. But if you guys can recall, the bond company had motion to come up off of the bond. Is this it right here? This affidavit? Okay, yeah, I believe this is it. The bond company also wants nothing to do with Jackie, if you guys can recall. It says that the defendant has failed to come in 24 hours after her release to complete the paperwork. She is well aware that she needed to come in. We feel the bond is in jeopardy and we respectfully asking the court to rule on this affidavit. So apparently she has no sufficient bond here as well. And you know, it's ironic. Jaguar Wright hasn't been checking in with the bonds company. She hasn't been appearing in court. She doesn't even show up for herself. But she showed up to Star Island to save some girls. She swam to Star Island to save some girls. But you don't show up for yourself. There was a woman down at the courthouse today, a paralegal, Cassandra. Shout out to Cassandra, the paralegal. I'm going to actually put her link in the chat if you guys want to follow her. Definitely check her out. I'm going to share her video right now. She was down at the courthouse today, and she alleges that Jaguar Wright was not there. Okay. She sat in court, and the judge and the attorneys were looking for Jaguar, and Jaguar never showed up. Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. Remember to support Win. We can't do it without your support. Shout out to my trophies. Hey, Hollywood SC. Thank you, friend. We need all other support, Win, friend. Okay, on period. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Support this video, Win. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle. The number of the day is 25. Hop out of the bushes. Support this video. Support this video. We need all other support that we can get, Win. Just like I told you. Jackie don't need no help going to jail. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. She don't need no help going to jail. And the evidence of that is clear. Listen to this. Yes, I put her link in. I'll put her link in where? That went to the Lituation Network? I don't see how that went to the Lituation Network. I got her link from right here. Hold on. Let's see. So this is her link. She's been following the Jaguar Wright trial. She's a paralegal, and she's going to be down there keeping the people up to date. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Everything being shown to you guys during this video is being shown to you guys according to the fair use and copyright doctrine. Again, this is not my contract. Check out Cassandra right here on YouTube. I put her link in the chat. Thank you, special girl. Thank you. You guys all follow my friend Special Girl over there to support, feature, and support the show. Let's go, y'all. It's up in the step.
Just waiting for people to show. Hopefully everybody can hear me.
Yes, and when you check her out, friend, drop some crowns. Let her know that Official King Pain sent you in. You know how the girls be about their content. Yeah. Yes, it did. Fair use, fair use. I reached out. I asked Cassandra to come over. I don't know if she got the message, but she seems cool.
So I'm kind of treating this as an Instagram. So I did come this morning to sit in on Miss Jaguar Wright's case, and unfortunately she did not show. I got here around
Friend, she just was here saying that she went to court. You sure that you was in the right courtroom? You sure you was in the right court? Jackie and Slowdale was just here saying they was at court, and I'm lying. I'm putting out misinformation, friend. You sure that you went down there when? Because Jackie and Slowdale said, Not only did she go down there, gathering close. Now, this is the gag. This is the gag. Not only did she go down there, Waffle come, the attorneys and everybody thought she was Jaguar Wright. She said, well, if they thought that I was this means that they've never met her in real life. She has never showed up for herself. She has never met the attorneys who are allegedly representing her. They don't even know what she looks like. Listen to this.
9:30, but the judge, and y'all can see that's the courthouse back there. I sat in the courtroom for
Jackie. You can't even show us the courthouse when. You can't even show us the courthouse when, Jackie. You expect us to take your word for it? Show us the receipts, girl.
about I'm just not leaving. Got there at 9:30, but she did not show. But I'm trying to cross the street. Oh, I guess I can cross the street. So I'm at the courthouse, Frank Crowley, on the Jaguar Wright's case, and she did not show. I was actually sitting in the courtroom for about a good 3.5 hours.
Jackie, you did not go to court, bitch. You did not go to court, bitch. Jackie, you did not go to court. Now she's at court for 4 hours. Waiting for Jackie. Oh, shit. Girl.
And the bailiff was like, "Are you an attorney?" I was like, "No, I'm a paralegal." So, I use my paralegal card. But her attorney, she had a court-appointed attorney, and when he first.
She got a public defender now. She got a public defender now. She probably don't even know the name. She probably don't even know the name. I mean, you have to show up to know the name now. My.
Came in, he's like, Miss Wright. I was like, no, I'm not Miss Wright. But she
Wait. They thought you was Miss Wright, girl. What happened?
did not show. And so the judge, the presiding judge for that court, she was out. So there was a sitting judge that was actually handling 3 of the courtrooms. I'm out of breath already. So it was a judge that was handling 3 courtrooms. So he finally came in around 11ish to hear all the cases. And so her attorney approached the bench. Trying to put my stuff in. Man, it's hot as hell in Texas. Trying to get to my car. One thing about going live. And y'all, I can't see y'all comments because I'm on my phone. Hold on. All right, cool. I'm gonna set y'all up in my window right quick. I don't think I can set my my Bluetooth. So I'm sorry, I had to walk and it's hot. Let me turn on some air. All right, so just to recap, I came in to do to sit in on Jaguar Wright's criminal cases. I did a video last night. She actually had a hearing, so it was initially set for October 1st. The judge passed it and told the attorney that she has to be present. And this was Judge Moeller. Judge Moeller was not here today. And so, like I said, it was a sitting judge. And so when the attorney came in, they were like, hey, are you Miss Wright? I was like, no. And so the attorney.
Are you Miss Wright? You look like Jag walking for the rent office, girl. You get him out of there. Oh, like this video. Every member to support is up and is stuck here in the home of the lituation. Send in your song request for the Lituation Express. Send in your song request for the Lituation Express via Cash App. Win. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. Let's go.
Ended up sitting by me, and I guess he was just kind of waiting on everybody else. And then probably about a good 20 minutes passed by because this particular judge is not the presiding judge for that court. He's actually handling 3 different courts. So he was everywhere this morning. But he finally came back in. And so her attorney came and approached the bench. And he was like, I have 2 motions for withdrawals for Jacqueline Wright's case and for another client that they had.
Came in with 2 motions.
So going back on the docket, I was looking at the docket while I was in the courtroom. It did show that they were court-appointed attorneys. So that's a court-appointed attorney. It wasn't one that she retained. And so the judge granted the motion for them to withdraw. So as of right now, for both cases, that is the case where she threatened a police officer and the case where she stole the U-Haul truck. She currently does not have an attorney. They officially withdrew from her case. The crazy part is I went on to check my comments for YouTube on a video I did last night, and somebody asked me if Jag was at court, and I was like, no, and that was around 11ish.
Because, you know, Jackie, she been online telling the girls she was at court. She was just over here making like she was at court.
All right, so that was about an hour ago, and she ended up calling the court on live, telling them that she wasn't going to make it, which is
like Jackie, like I said, your Twitter fingers are not quick enough for us, girl. Your Twitter fingers are too slow, girl. We caught you live this morning, girl. Yeah.
It's unacceptable. But either way, I knew that the judge was going to sign that order. We can't take y'all can't take criminal cases as light work or that it doesn't matter, because you have a theft charge for stealing property, and you have a charge in regards to you threatening a police officer. You need counsel. So
And Jackie was live today alleging that she's thinking about, defending herself. She doesn't need an attorney. This is a woman who works in the legal field, and these are some serious charges, 2 felony charges that carry some extensive time. Jackie is looking at approximately 10 years in prison. She most definitely needs an attorney. Oh, I know that's right. King Gemini said we need to get these fucking likes up. Okay, on here we got 500 people in the motherfucking building. We only got 300 likes on this video. Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. So like this video, support this video, share this video okay, on period. Oh, where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Okay, on period. We got all of the receipts in house today. My Joanna, I don't think they like your number of the day. I don't think they like your number of the day. Okay, on period. My trophies. Hop out of the bushes. Hop out of the bushes, and remember to support the show. We can't do it without your support. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle, Crypto, however you want to do it. Oh, just lock Jackie up already. Just lock Jackie up already. My. Hey, friend. Shout out to doing the right thing. Thank you, friend. Yes, let her go to court and talk herself into a 10-year stretch. Yes, it did. Thank you, Teal Gray. Thank you, friend. Yes, it did. You guys all follow my friends over there to the support feature. Yes, it did. The number of the day is 25. It's up and it's stuck. Let's go. Let's go. Only a fool will represent themselves in a court of law. Okay? Jackie can't even read. How's she going to represent herself?
this right here is just further going to delay the case. The judge really didn't say anything. He just, the attorney just handed the order on the motion to withdraw, and he signed it. And then the attorney ended up going to the court coordinator, not the coordinator, the clerk, so they could file it on the docket. So by the time I get home, I'm pretty sure they have uploaded it. But as of right now, that girl, she does not have an attorney, and it is truly sad.
Oh,
hey, Carson.
It is truly sad. It's pathetic, even. Like, all this money that she's supposed to have, $45 million, like, girl, she can't afford no attorney okay, I'm here. She out here looking for pro bono attorneys like she's somebody okay, I'm here. They didn't even recognize you down at the courthouse today. They thought Cassandra was Jackie.
Day. Oh, this is about Jaguar Wright. So she actually had, and I know I'm gonna say it over and over again because people are just coming back in. So this is about Jag Wright. She actually had a hearing today that she had to attend because the Judge Moeller, Miss Nancy Moeller, she wasn't in court, so there was another sitting judge that was running 3 courts today, and the court appointed attorney filed it. Well, he wanted to file a motion to withdraw, and normally the defendant has to be there because the judge will ask if you oppose for the attorney.
Okay, she talking about she got all of these Diddy tapes. She got her own tapes. That little Diddy do our bop better get her money up from somewhere. I hear Ray J is looking for my. All of the receipts are on the receipt book. You guys make sure that you guys are checking out the receipt book. Yes, it is.
Need to be withdrawn from your case, but she wasn't there, and so the judge was like, hey, and so he signed it, and now she is without an attorney. That's crazy. I gotta figure out how to get out of here. But yeah, so that's so right now, to the people who are interested in the Jag Wright case, she doesn't have an attorney. They withdrew from her case, and these, like I said, was a court appointed attorney. Now, I have been off the scene for about a good 30 days now, so I really don't keep up with a lot of stuff. Like, I haven't been on YouTube, but I have been on, my device is overheating. I have been on like social media in that.
Thank you, Angie Berry. Thank you for yes, we did. You guys all follow my friend Angie Berry over there to support feature and support the show. We can't do it without your support. We cannot do it without your support. We should have hit our quotas by now. Gathering close.
But I really haven't really been paying attention to Jaguar Wright's, case. But somebody stated that she was on Piers Morgan and she started name dropping. Now, I don't want people to think that, the attorneys withdrew from her case only because I don't know what's all in the motion. Hopefully the motion is filed and I can,
Well, what I can say is that the motion was filed before the whole Piers Morgan. They had already made the decision to withdraw from Jackie before Piers Morgan. So I don't think that it had anything to do with the Piers Morgan as far as the attorneys go. But I believe that this, whatever is in that motion, alerted the courts to Jaguar Wright's disturbing behavior. And that's why they reviewed the bond stipulations and ultimately deemed that Jaguar Wright is in violation of her bond, needs to be arrested. They issued a warrant and ultimately will not be given another bond. She is to be held without bond when she is arrested. So Jaguar Wright, enjoy your final moments of freedom. Slow down, you rub on your whore, do whatever, make enjoy your time when on period. If I were you, I'd be thinking about making a U-turn down a one-way and head on back to a niece, because Jackie is a wanted woman. Yes, it did. Oh, Crime Stoppers working on the wanted poster as we speak. Yes, it did. The number of the day is 25. Thank you for your shout out to Nessa. Yes, all that money she spent buying those clothes to wear on stage for those non-paying performances could have gone to cover her bond. Yes, it did. Tell the truth. Is it because she didn't show up? She got dropped? My. No, it's not because she didn't show up. No, it's not because she didn't show up. They already wanted to drop her. The she got the warrants because she didn't show up. The court hearing today was for the motion to withdraw. She has this motion to withdraw hearing because her attorneys submitted a motion to withdraw. Now, Jaguar Wright has a bond, and part of her bond stipulations that she show up to every court hearing. And Jaguar Wright hasn't been showing up. She didn't show up to this one, and her previous court hearings, she had the attorneys show up to represent her. And as you guys notice in the portal, there was a special note for this hearing, and it specifically stated that the defendant must show up. So this was not like any of the other court hearings where she was allowed to not attend because she had attorney representation. She had to be at this court hearing. It was required of Jaguar Wright to show up, and she didn't show up. Jaguar Wright knew there was a possibility that she could have been arrested on today, whether she showed up or not, because the bond was already insufficient. She wasn't supposed to be free to begin with. Jaguar Wright was tasked with obtaining a bond before her next court date. We told her that. I don't know why she thinks that everything is a fucking setup. We told you after I removed myself from your bond that it had become insufficient and that you needed to obtain a new bond. She said that the blue sponge had her covered. She was thanking the blue sponge for, bonding her out for the umpteenth time. Well, apparently, whatever bond company they went through don't want nothing to do with Jackie as well, and there's not a sufficient bond on that case, according to the portal. Okay, when I look in the now, I don't know what department is over the who's in jail, like the jail record section. Um, but it's still saying that the $10,000 bond is sufficient, and Jaguar Wright is in the North Tower. So, hey, hey. We'll take what we can get from Dallas, okay? We'll take what we can get from Dallas. We okay on period. At least they updating the main portal, okay? At least they updating the main portal. Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Remember to support the show. We can't do it without your support. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle, Crypto, PayPal. However you want to do it, hop out of the bushes and support. We got quotas to meet around family.
I'll at least take that and read that to you guys. But if not, there's no way for me to know exactly. But
The Blue Mountains ain't saved her nan time when I saved that bitch. The Blue Sponge ain't never saved her. The little freedom that she has left, we gave that to her. Blue Sponge ain't did shit for that hoe. Has she honored the stipulations surrounding the agreement that we had for giving that bitch her freedom? She wouldn't have had to worry about selling her motherfucking soul to the Blue Sponge. The Blue Sponge used Jackie. All that money they made off Jackie. Jackie's still around here looking transient and homeless and just a mess. It's a mess.
can say that her going on Piers Morgan does not have anything to do with the attorneys wanting to withdraw from her case. Now, the attorney, so I know it's court appointed, but the attorney. Y'all, I set my phone in the sun on the dashboard and it started overheating. So I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It happens, friend.
So what was I talking about? Oh yeah. So I don't know exactly what and why they withdrew from her case, but I do know it does not have to do anything with Piers Morgan. It could be a number of reasons. You know, I know that they're court appointed, but if they have tried to get in contact with you and you refuse to meet with them and you refuse to
Girl, I'm about to fall out of this damn chair. Girl, the internet is just girl. La. Oh, Jackie. Girl. Jackie. Oh, this bitch be lying. Girl. Oh, friend. Let me just go on and show y'all win, because girl. Not the amulet. Oh, Jackie. Jaguar Wright alleges Diddy put a $500,000 bounty on her head and that someone has been following her. Is that why you ain't show up at court today, girl? Oh, shit. Here we go again. It's not gonna work, Jackie. It's not gonna work, with. Ain't nobody following you, girl. Ain't nobody trying to take you out, girl. You negated your responsibilities when you didn't show up to court on today. That's all that were. Tell the truth, shame the devil.
Contact them, then that is something that, because here's the thing. When the attorney walked in, he was like, "Are you Miss Wright?" And I was like, "No." So obviously they've never seen her before, which means that they never met her. And that's crazy. So the attorney was thinking that I'm Jaguar Wright. Like, what? Yeah, but that's sad. So I just wanted to give you guys that update. Let me see. I'm looking in Shocking. She was on Objective Perspective, going off on Star. Knew she would not go. She's looking for a deal. What deal is she looking for? If you're never showing up and you're not discussing your case with your attorney, I don't care if they're an appointed attorney or not. It's mind-boggling. It is really mind-boggling. You cannot sit here and have two open felony criminal cases and you don't show up to court. At least oppose like, no, I do object for them withdrawing from my case. So now you have no attorneys and it's back. You're back to square one. So I don't know if she just purposely trying to delay the case, but somebody talk.
Like this video, like this video, like
Y'all know
this
how long
video.
it took me to get here? 30 minutes. After I dropped my school, I sat in traffic and I drove to the courthouse. It is a long, tedious process. I was at the courthouse at 9:30. I am just now leaving the courthouse. But it is ridiculous that you don't come and take care of your criminal obligations.
Okay. Absolutely ridiculous, Jackie. Absolutely ridiculous. Jack finna use that gas baby in as an excuse. My. She knows what she's doing. She's trying to drag it out as long as she can. Absolutely. Like this video, like this video, like this video. We got live updates with the king.
So now your case is going to be stalled. And judges do not like when your case is not moving. They don't like it when your case is not moving. That judge, I'm pretty sure, I don't even know what he would have said because I don't think he's too familiar with the case because he's just sitting in because the judge was absent. But the fact that you don't show up, that means a lot. But that judge today, he was pissed. He was just ready to get them. He was like, "What you got? Who's next?" Because he had to go to another courtroom. But yeah, hey Ruth, she's looking.
My. Like this video, like this video, like this video.
To speak to bigger. Okay, and I understand that, but how you gonna speak to anybody and you about to go to jail?
Okay, Jack worried about all the wrong things, Win. Jack worried about all the wrong things. Jackie about to go to jail, okay? She gonna be right in there with her friend Diddy. Okay, that little Diddy do-wop bop Win. Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video, Win. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. You know this lit over here. Hey, Pixie Dust, I'm so glad that you can make it, Win. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and it's stuck. It's up and it's motherfucking stuck, Win. Okay, up here, we're exposing the will to be. Exposing the will to be Win, okay, on period. Got her in close.
Make that make sense. What? No. No. So here's the thing. This hearing was for a motion to withdraw. Like they wanted to withdraw from her case. I don't know what it is that she does for these people to not want to take her case, but that's what it is. And for the attorney, if he thought I was Jaguar Wright, that means they ain't never seen her a day in their lives, and that speaks volumes right there.
Volumes. That speaks volumes right there. Remember to subscribe to the show. You do not want to miss these exclusive updates. Okay, on period. Oh, like this video, like this video, like this video is up in the stuck.
Yeah, I get it. I guess she barely ever shows up, but you can't want to do music. You can't want to go on these shows and stuff like Piers Morgan. I watch him. I like Piers Morgan. But you can't expect that you want to go on these shows and make another name for yourself, and your ass gonna go to jail. I ain't saying she going to jail, but like you threaten a police officer, and that right there, that charge alone is. And look, I'm
crazy. That charge alone is crazy. They not playing with your stupid ass, Jackie. Dumbass. Y'all remember to support this video. Support this video. Make them critters upset when they're in the bushes. They're watching when, okay? The critters is watching. Okay, just like the feds is watching Jackie, the critters is watching the king win. Make sure that you guys support your win, okay, on period. Like this video, like this video, like this video, gathering close. We can't do it without your support. And let me see those crowns in the chat. Is up and stuck. Let's go.
I'm also a personal injury attorney. I'm not attorney, paralegal, and my ass is driving while on live talking to y'all, and that's against all that I believe in. But that's okay. Y'all gonna ride with me. Let me see. She turns herself into the feds versus a small court. Wait, who? The feds want her? What?
The feds is not checking for Jackie win, okay, on period. Feds don't want nothing to do with Jackie. The feds know that Jackie is lying. The feds, why Jackie go on Piers Morgan and say that she was at all the Diddy parties? Now she was at all the Diddy parties. And she also has videos. She also has videos. Yes. She's begging for the feds to call her. That's what she's doing. She wants to be included so bad. She wants the attention so bad. That will validate her if she's allowed to get up on the stand and testify and tell her lies. Jackie, the feds know that you don't got shit. You got a fucking receipt, dry ass bitch. Fuck is you talking about? You wasn't there. You fucking never been. Nobody stupid. Don't take no fucking rocket scientist. We wouldn't have pulled the fucking receipts ourselves. Okay? We went and pulled the Gettys. Everybody was at the party except in Jackie. Jackie hasn't been relevant for over 20 years. Why would she be invited to a party? And when she was relevant, it was only as a backup singer. Now, how many backup singers do you know? Yeah, exactly.
The feds want with her. I ain't never seen no federal case.
And then what my friend Sean would say,
bench warrant for no show. FTA. Oh, I see what you're saying. Man, listen here. I was like, man, that courtroom, hey, let me tell you something about criminal law. I know I was talking about JAG, but y'all, so I have to look up this case.
My. If you guys are interested in the rest of that video, definitely check it out. Her name is Cassandra, the paralegal. And here is the link to her show. Make sure that you drop a lot of crowns when you go over there so she know that the official campaign sent you in. Yes, you did. Y'all like this video? Like this video? Like this video? Win. Let me go check my song request win. Let me go check the song request win. All aboard! The Lituation Express. Make sure that you guys are supporting this video. We got Cash App. We got Venmo. We got Zelle. We got Crypto Win. Make sure that you guys are supporting the show. If you guys have a song request win, send it by a Cash App win. Okay, on period. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the Lituation as we transition to the next topic win. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Oh, big things popping, little things stopping win. Girl. Oh, we got the post and deletes and some more here in the home of the Lituation. All aboard, all aboard, all aboard, win. We're pulling out of this dusty station right here, win. Okay, on period. On to the next, on to the next, on to the next. Like this video, like this video, like this video. My. By request, win. Okay, on period. Yeah. Daddy, take him away. Take him away.
No relationship
Hey!
with a broken bitch. Call it what you want to. Whoa, whoa. Shout it what you gonna do. Whoa. I don't want no relationship with your
pause. Ooh, we got crown in need. We got some crown. We got a crown family member in need. When Pixie Dust is requesting to be added to the prayers list. Can we add Pixie Dust to the prayers list, crown family? When we don't even need to know what Pixie is in need of. When we're just gonna ask and we're gonna pray in the mighty name of Jesus that He provides. Okay, whatever it is. My God can do all things. Our God can do all things when, and we're going to pray that, He continues to be all things in Pixie Dust life. Yes, it did. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Yeah, let's all stand in agreement. Amen. Yes. My God is awesome. He can move mountains. Keep me in the valley. Hide me from the rain. Oh, my God is awesome. Yes. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Miss Cassandra, she posted another update about Jackie. My. Let me go see. Let me go see. Let me go see. Ooh. Like this video, like this video, like this video. This is OT, friend. This is OT. This is OT. This is OT. This is OT, friend. Check the dates. Check the dates. Check the dates, Swim. Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video. All aboard! The Lituation Express win. Yes, and Pixie Dust. Pixie Dust. I decree and declare in the mighty name of Jesus that all things, okay, will be better in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes, it did. Gathering close. Gathering close. And know that joy cometh in the morning. Yes, it is.
Broke ass, call it what you want to. What you see is what you get.
Hey, Leo!
That's why we never been to the moon. I don't want no relationship with a broke bitch. Call it what you want to. Shout it what you gonna do. I don't want no relationship with your broke ass. Call it what you want to.
Yes. All aboard the Lituation Express. Remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's turn up. Let's turn up. Next, we have our live reaction to Jaguar Wright on Piers Morgan. Gathering close.
What you see is what you get. That's why we never been to the moon.
Thanks, Rose.
No,
that's right.
Relationship with a broke bitch.
Gathering close. Let's get these likes up. Let's get these likes up. Yes, Brandy, I got it.
Shout it what you gonna do. I don't want.
If you don't drop a trophy in the chat, I figure that you don't want to shout out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle. Follow my friend Brandy over there to the support feature and support the show. My. Oh.
Want no relationship with your broke ass. Call it what you want to. What you see is what you get. That's why we never been to the moon. I don't want no relationship with a broke bitch.
My. My. Now this show today is going to be a little bit all over the place just because of the type of receipt that we have. Okay, so we'll revisit Jaguar's post and delete later in the show. Okay. Like this video right now. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. Jaguar Wright was recently given the boot over there on the Piers Morgan show when I didn't know who Piers Morgan was before this exclusive with Jaguar Wright, but I definitely know who Piers Morgan is now. Well, I've seen Piers Morgan around, but I'm not a fan. Okay, that's what I will say. I'm not a fan. So yeah, like this video right now. Everything being shown to you during this video is being shown to you guys for informational and educational purposes. Yes, it did. Jaguar Wright was on Piers Morgan and I got all of the receipts. She thinks she big time now. I said, how you big time on YouTube? Like, how does going on Piers? Ain't Piers Morgan on YouTube with the rest of us? Ain't Piers Morgan on YouTube with the rest of us? I'm just saying.
Weinstein, Jeffrey Epstein, Sean Combs have one person in common.
Jaguar Wright is known to be a conspiracy theorist.
Big conspiracy theorist. Big conspiracy theorist. Let me add some music, girl. You said did. Like this video. This video's up and stuck. Let's go.
Never take a picture with the devil. Everyone knew she was the devil.
Everyone wanted to go to Diddy's white parties. When they were happening, I got invited, I would go. But there's a party within a party.
Jay-Z and Beyonce are not here, unfortunately, to respond to
Diddy and Jay.
Oh, they talking too fast for me. Hold on. Gathering close.
But there's a party within a party.
Jay-Z and Beyonce are not here, unfortunately, to respond to
Diddy and Jay-Z are monsters.
He's saying a lot of things that could be considered libelous.
I think if Diddy cooperates and gives up some big names of actual crimes that they committed, that'd be a way of actually lessening the amount of time that he does or possibly even walking away.
I absolutely do not see him being victorious in a criminal trial.
This has been a fist of tyranny that has been punching for decades. It must stop.
Well, Diddy's downfall has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and beyond. The blast radius from the uncovering of his alleged offences could yet swallow many more powerful and famous figures. Diddy is accused of creating a criminal enterprise which engaged in sex trafficking, racketeering, kidnapping, bribery, and forced labour. His lawyers say he'll fight the charges, but after the testimony you're about to hear, you'll be staggered he avoided the attention of law enforcement for so long. I'll speak to a lawyer, a whistleblower, and an insider for an uncensored insight into the showbiz scandal of a generation.
These three. Now, I technically don't have anything against Vlad. You know, people think he's a culture vulture or what have you. I actually have met Vlad before I got into the social media space and hung out with Vlad, and he's a really cool guy. We don't you know, we're not friends today, I will say. It was like a random occurrence. We ran into each other outside at I forget the place, but I was in barber school and I'm studying to become a licensed barber, and I was on lunch and I ran into Vlad at the barbecue spot. I didn't even know who he was, but he was really cool. He was talking, you know, me and my friends, we like to, you know, what is it called? Kind of like play hooky. So, you know, he was like, oh, there was like a bar over here type of thing. So, you know, we went bar hopping with Vlad, and like I said, again, he was really cool. I wouldn't discover that he was Vlad TV until after, I think at this time he wasn't even showing his face So he did tell us that he was in the podcast space, and he did interviews with like celebrities. But again, I wasn't doing this. I was more focused on like oh well, let me do your hair, or bring some of your clients to the shop, or networking in a different type of way. I do have his personal contact, but we're not personal friends. We hung out one time, and like I said, it was cool. Now, Ariel, on the other hand, she's a weirdo. I've been telling you guys about Ariel, weird ass. Ariel's been accused of hiring people to lie on celebrities so that she can take home a big bag. She sued celebrities like Trey Songz, Chris Brown, so on and so forth, for millions of dollars. I think Chris Brown was the one who exposed her for being a liar. And we all know that Jaguar Wright is a fucking liar. So I'm very, very, very disappointed in Piers Morgan's decisions to bring this group on to the show. Like, what do they specialize in again?
Jaguar, I'm going to start with you. You've been called a whistleblower. You knew Sean Diddy Combs for a long time. You attended a number of his infamous parties.
Donalji, honestly, the guests that be going on his show are dumb to even go on the show in the first place. I mean, they're incriminating themselves. Like, you want notoriety and clout that bad that you will go and do an interview and incriminate yourself. I don't blame Vlad for people being idiots. You're a fucking idiot if you go on his show and you tell this man you don't know things that you should have took to the grave. Like this video.
And in 2022, you made headlines after comments where you called him a sex trafficker. And in response, you were called crazy.
Yes, congratulations to all the new members. Let me take it back. I keep on pausing it. Like this video, and remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, and Zelle.
I'm going to start with you. You've been called a whistleblower. You knew Sean Diddy Combs for a long time. You attended a number of his infamous parties. And in 2022, you made headlines after comments where you called him a sex trafficker. And in response, you were called crazy and jealous. Do you feel vindicated by the events of the last few weeks?
No, not.
My. Thank you, Rosetta. Thank you for your support. Yes, indeed. Jackie's not going to feel vindicated until she's indicted her motherfucking self. I said it. Jackie's not going to feel vindicated until she's indicted herself. I think she carries some guilt for all them girls that she recruited for the enterprise. Yes, it did. I mean, what else would motivate a wilder bee to hop into the ocean and swim over to Star Island? Oh, why didn't Piers Morgan ask her about Star Island and all the women she saved on her back? Her and the manatee.
Not at all. Because he's just the beginning. Until him and his cohorts are all held to account publicly and legally, the victims, they're not safe.
How bad was it?
That's what I care about. I care about the victims.
No, I understand. How bad was it, do you think, what was going on?
She didn't tell him about swimming over there and saving the girls on her back.
I'm going to tell you right now that me, as a woman who has been in the industry for over 30 years, I've been performing live since I was 13. My first handler was McKinley Horton. I come to find out 25 years later that a scar that was on his face with a...
She said her first handler? Her first handler?
I'm going to tell you right now that me, as a woman who has been in the industry for over 30 years, I've been performing live since I was 13. My first handler was McKinley Horton.
Like this video, like this video, like this video. She swam over there like a whole okra, free willy. Okay. Orca, free willy. I know that's right. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's lights, camera, action. I thought she was a dominatrix and then the sex game before the music. Girl, the story keep on changing. Yeah, she said handler. My. Her new handler is Odesty. My. Pierce is like, who? Security! She showed up on drugs.
I come to find out 25 years later that a scar that was on his face with a very elaborate story he gave me was put there by a woman who he assaulted. To live through these things and hear your elders in the business, people like Patti LaBelle say, just avoid him, honey. And being taught to be just avoid him, honey. It's not good enough. Not when you live through these things.
If you're a content
Like this video, like this video, like this video right now. Support this video when we do big things with your support. All of your support goes directly back into the platform. Betting on the king is a right risk. Win. Oh, gathering close.
Suffering the PTSD created by all of this, and you're talking to a victim that's 20 years younger than you, and she's telling you the exact same thing that happened to you. You want to know why there's no vindication for me? Because for 4 years, I've been screaming, not just Diddy, but Diddy and Jay-Z are monsters.
That's not what you said for 4 years. As a matter of fact, I think I have the receipts here. Should I pull out the receipts? That's not what you've been saying for 4 years, girl. As a matter of fact, 4 years ago, you said that you would love to work with Diddy. I mean, would love to work with Jay-Z again. No? 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 Y'all know I love to pop Jackie. Y'all know I love to pop this bitch. Y'all know 4 years ago. 4 years ago.
Do more music with Jay-Z.
I don't talk about my business with Mr. Carter. All I got to say about Mr. Carter is we did excellent work together.
Definitely.
We can still work together. We can still work together. I ain't got no problem with it.
How come you didn't do more?
So like Talib Kweli said, Jaguar Wright is just a bigger monster as all of the monsters that she's trying to expose. Is she not a monster too? They did great monstrous work together. She would love to work with the monster again. That's what I heard. What did you hear? One more time for the girls in the back.
More music with Jay-Z.
I don't talk about my business with Mr. Carter. All I got to say about Mr. Carter is we did excellent work together.
Definitely.
We can still work together. We can still work together. I ain't got no problem with it.
How come you didn't do more?
You ain't got no problem with it. You ain't got no problem with it. You're complicit. You've been complicit all of these years. You only began to speak out when you realized that they didn't want no parts of your Dusty Bumpy Johnson. You got cut out of the equation. Four years ago, you alleged that you would love to continue to work with Jay-Z. What changed?
More music with Jay-Z.
I don't talk about my business with Mr. Carter. All I got to say about Mr. Carter is we did excellent work together.
Thank you, friend.
Definitely.
We can still work together. We can still work together. I ain't got no problem with it.
My. Back to you, Pierce. Just a little bit of research.
And the victim making machine kept. Want to know why there's no vindication for me? Because for 4 years, I've been screaming, not just Diddy, but Diddy and Jay-Z are monsters. And the victim making machine kept going on.
Jay-Z has been notable by his silence since these charges were brought against Diddy. Why do you think that is?
I mean, nobody, see, this is the thing, like, no one is mentioning Jay-Z in any of the lawsuits. Jay-Z has his own empire. He's his own entity. He has his own parties. Jaguar Wright wants Jay-Z to be a part of this enterprise so bad. And, you know, I'm not saying that he's not, but I'm saying that there's no one that has come forward as of yet to cooperate Jaguar's allegations. No lawsuits have been filed against Jay-Z. No one's accusing Jay-Z of anything. It's all conspiracies.
Because that's what he does. He starts little fires everywhere, forces everyone involved to go and carry water while he sneaks away without a response. That changes now.
Yes, like this video, like this video, like this video. This is the interactive segment of your day. I need you guys to trigger this algorithm. I need you guys to be interacting in the chat. We want YouTube to send out our notifications. We want all of the Crown family in the building. All of our trophies in the building. It's up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
Sean, you must respond. You have no choice. Harvey Weinstein, Jeffrey Epstein, Robert Kelly, Sean Combs have one person in common, professionally and privately. Sean Carter.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say Jaguar Wright. Let Jackie tell it. She know them all.
This has been a fist of tyranny that has been punching through our culture and our society for decades. It must stop.
There's been obviously a lot of
cruelty-free artistry.
Right. There's been a lot of rumor mill about what has happened in the rap world. A lot of allegations that the misogyny in the lyrics clearly was based on a general misogyny towards women away from the music. And that clearly seems to have been borne out by these charges against Diddy, which if he's found guilty of all this, he's never coming out of prison. How dangerous do you think?
Thank God.
How dangerous do you think he is as a person?
I think he's one of the most dangerous people I've ever met.
Oh, I wish I had the receipt available. Oh, I wish I had the receipt readily available. Quick, somebody go get me the receipt where Jaguar Wright says she ain't never met Diddy. What? Hold on. Now you done met Diddy. She done been to all the Diddy parties. Oh, that's the part that threw me. Wait, hold on. This is the part that threw me off. Hold on. I'm
going to start with you. You've been called a whistleblower. You knew Sean Diddy Combs for a long time. You attended a number of his infamous parties.
So now Jackie was at the freak offs too. My. I was seeing if I could find it real quick when. My mind's on it. Gathering close.
And in 2022, you made headlines.
To live through these things and hear your elders in the business, people like Patti LaBelle say, just avoid him, honey. And being taught to be just avoid him, honey. It's not good enough. Not when you live through these things, you're still suffering the PTSD created by all of this, and you're talking to a victim that's 20 years younger than you, and she's telling you the exact same thing that happened to you. You want to know why there's no vindication for me? Because for 4 years, I've been screaming, not just Diddy, but Diddy and Jay-Z are monsters. And the victim-making machine kept going on.
Jay-Z has been notable by his silence since these charges were brought against Diddy. Why do you think that is?
Because that's what he does. He starts little fires everywhere, forces everyone involved to go and carry water while he sneaks away without a response. That changes now, Sean. You must respond. You have no...
The Carters are not responding to you, Jackie. She better leave my birthday twin, Miss Patty, alone, okay? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Oh. Like this video, like this video, like this video's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation. Let's go.
No choice.
Y'all see how
Harvey
them numbers
Weinstein,
jumping up? That's y'all. That's y'all.
Jeffrey
Keep on liking this
Epstein,
video.
Robert Kelly, Sean Combs have one person in common, professionally and privately. Sean Carter. This has been a fist of tyranny that has been punching through our culture and our society for decades. It must stop.
There's been obviously a lot of
cruelty-free artistry.
Right, there's been a lot of rumor mill about what has happened in the rap world. A lot of allegations that the misogyny in the lyrics clearly was based on a general misogyny towards women away from the music. And that clearly seems to have been borne out by these charges against Diddy, which if he's found guilty of all this, he's never coming out of prison. How dangerous do you think?
Thank God.
How dangerous do you think he is as a person?
I think he's one of the most dangerous people I've ever met. A lot of people have been questioning, well, she doesn't really know him. She has no knowledge of him. She doesn't have a picture with him. I'm smarter than Claudia Jordan.
Or maybe he just wasn't Diddy type. Maybe he just wasn't Diddy's type. He didn't want to do-wop bop with you, Jackie, and that's why you're upset. Why are you so jealous of Claudia? What did Claudia do to you, girl? My. Didn't even know Kathy White. Like, who's Jackie supposed to be?
I would never take a picture with the devil. Everyone knew he was the devil. He's been the devil for 30 years. He's been covered and protected by not only Clive Davis, but Lucian Grange.
We built a 7-figure business.
Like this video, like this video, like this video, and support the show. Where are my trophies? Where are my trophies? Hop out of the bushes and remember to support. We can't do it without you. It's up and it's stuck. We're almost to the 2-hour mark, which means we are going into overtime win. Let's go ahead and start our overtime challenge. Anybody got 5 on it? That official Kingpin can keep. We got 500 people in the building. Let's see if we can get at least 10 people to hop out and put 5 on it. That official Kingpin can keep. Yes, because I ain't got bills to pay. Gathering close.
He was selected to be the demon that he is, to keep the culture in line so the industry could continue to rape it for all of its precious jewels. We have too many lost. The list of lost is ridiculous. And everyone knows Diddy was selected for this job. He's the Judas.
Do you think that if he's cornered in the way that he's been now, that he may start revealing things about other people?
He has no choice. His ego and his drug addiction won't allow him to do anything different. Anybody who thinks...
What about your ego, your choices, and your drug addiction, Jackie? What about your warrants, you fucking fugitive? Why don't you tell the girls about your warrants, Jackie, and how you're on the run, ho? You sitting up on Piers Morgan, bitch, a whole fucking criminal, a whole fucking felony off, bitch. Felonious bitch, whenever you get through. Yeah.
He's not going to talk is crazy. The simple fact that he's not saying more now only means that the people who have been protecting him all along, who put him in position to be such a horror to the Black community, still find value in him. He's got everybody on tape. They all know it. It's a mess.
For those who...
Everybody but your funkin' ass, huh? You was at every Diddy party. You went to every freak off and everybody on the tape but you, huh, Jackie? You was the one recording. Let me find out. That's how you got your own tapes. Is that what that was? I told you Jackie got child porn in her fucking phone when. Yeah, the feds had to come apprehend the wildebeest ASAP. Yes, it did. Go through her phone. Go through her phone. Lock that creep up. Lock that predator up. Lock that perp up. She's a child perp. Yes, it did. Put your kids away. Husbands, daughters, grandmas, put them away. Jackie has no morals. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Look at her lying ass.
We're never at these freak-off parties. What were they like?
See, this is the thing. Everything that I'm about to say to you is not my firsthand knowledge. It is my firsthand witness account experience. I was a sex worker. I was a dominatrix before I got my record.
Well, I mean, at least he never showed up. I mean, he never got the invite. Jackie claimed she was there. He said he would go. Jackie was gone, friends. So, I mean, he's clearly the lesser of the two evils. Three evils. Yeah, because all three of these motherfuckers win, girl.
Good deal. That's how I know how the dark world and the sex world and the entertainment world run hand in hand. That's why the movie Blink Twice is so important. Salute to Zoe Kravitz.
Everybody with this fucking Blink Twice movie win, okay, on period. I'm selling tickets to Blink Twice. Who want to see it? Who want to see it win, okay, on period? They charging $20 for that shit win, but we're going to watch it in the movie theater win, okay, on period. $5 a pop. Who's coming? Who's coming win, okay? Let me see some popcorn in the chat. Let me see some popcorn in the chat. I want to see that motherfucking movie. I want to see that motherfucking movie win, okay, on period. But I need some more support here in the home of the situation. Everybody keep talking about that movie like that's what Diddy did to all the people. I want to see. It's not on the black market. So, I mean, like they win, okay, on period. Make sure that you guys are supporting the show. We're looking for 10 people to hop out of the bushes and pin 5 on it. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Support this video so we can go and get Blink Twice so we can watch it in theater tonight. When support this video, we're looking for 10 people to hop out of the bushes. We ain't even got one. To win. Okay, look at all these people say they're coming to the movies. Win. Okay, on period. Come on in. Pay your admission now. Win. Okay, on period. Win. The Cash App link is in the chat. It's up and it's stuck. Let's go. We watching Blink after the show. Well, that is if we get enough support in the building. Win. Let's knock out our challenges, Crown family. Let's go.
The sex workers that I have worked with
One
throughout
down.
the years.
We got 1 down, 9 to go. 1 down, 9 to go. Thank you, Prophetess Terry. Hey, Prophetess Terry. Weird. I know that's right. Thank you for hopping out of the bushes. Win. 1 down, 9 to go. Hop out of the bushes and remember to support the show. Yes, it did. Oop. There we go. 2 down, 8 to go. Win. Okay, on period. Looks like we're gonna be getting that movie after all. Come on in.
Continue to work with, even to this day, have worn hidden cameras. I have my own tapes. I've seen what they do. The ritualistic behaviors, the drugging, putting girls in the suitcases.
Oh, you seen it, huh? And you didn't contact the authorities? You didn't file a police report? You were complicit. You might as well help tie the girls up, put the drugs in their mouth, participate in the freak off. You did nothing to stop it. Only to talk about it 2 decades later for fucking notoriety. Like, that's weird. 2 down, 8 to go. Hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it.
Dumping them in alleyways. It's horrifying. And it's all done under the protection of this is going to be paid off. There's another NDA. This is going to be, it's terrible.
it seems to have been something that people, a lot of.
She can even muster up a fake tear, girl. Where them crocodile tears at, Jackie? You don't want to cry in front of them clear folk? What's going on, Jackie? This is not your best performance. This is not your best performance, okay? Where's the show, Jackie? Like, why you not going off? Why you not flipping tables like you doing everybody else shit?
That people knew about, but people were simply too scared to talk about.
Everyone knows. And every person that's sitting there trying to act surprised knows very well. The whole point of this, like Cat Williams said when he sat with Shay Shay earlier this year, the whole point of this is for them in a coordinated effort to pretend like none of it is real for the public's perception. But everyone knows what's going on, and it's been going on for years. It's been going on before Diddy. See, people keep looking at him like he's a Sputnik that came out of nowhere. This is someone who was designed to be what he is.
Like this video, like this video, like this video, win. 3 down, 7 to go, win. Like this video, win. We're looking for 10 people to hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
We got to stop making ditties. And if we're going to do that, then we got to go back. We got to go back to even further, the mentors of these people. Because Diddy was taught how to do what he does systematically. And Clyde Davis has been his greatest teacher.
Look, Clyde Davis is not here to respond to that, nor is Jay.
You talking about his folk now, Jackie. You done pissed him off. He done turned all the way red. Look at him. Motherfucking Piers Morgan done turned fucking red in the fucking face. He just said his motherfucking bro. That gotta be somebody he know. You see, this motherfucker done turned colors on her ass. Yes, it did. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, Freya. 4 down, 6 to go. You guys all follow my friend Tiffany over there to feature and support the show. Anybody got 5 on it? Yes, it did. We trying to watch Blink twice after the show. Gathering close, and support this video. We can't do it without you.
Jay-Z, but a lot of people, famous people in the music industry, have been notable, like I say, by their silence so far. It's also been notable that since the Me Too campaign began in 2017, the music industry has largely avoided the same scrutiny that other industries have had. Why do you think that is?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Since Me Too began in 2017, the music industry has largely avoided the same kind of scrutiny that other industries have had. Why do you think that is?
Well, because the Me Too movement was a ruse. It was a setup. It was a scam. I'm saying that now, publicly. Dream.
Like this video, like this video, like this video. Ain't nobody a bigger scammer than Jackie and Scamadelphia win, okay, on period. Yes, give her a minute to come up with her lie, okay? Yeah, it's Pierce and Clean himself. I'm from the, I don't know that. Can't get it. It's just. Yeah, so shout out to all my international people in the motherfucking building. I know that's right. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. We're still looking for 6 people to hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it. Or if you big dog just going to send $30 right now, it's up and it's stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go. Make sure that you guys are interacting in the chat. We need YouTube to send out our notifications. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh.
It was a scam. I'm saying that now, publicly. Dream Hampton spearheaded the Surviving R. Kelly campaign, which fueled the Me Too campaign. And that was all funded by Sean Carter.
UK.
To make sure that Robert Kelly went to jail.
In the building.
Get his lick back. Why is nobody understanding that Dream Hampton was being financed?
Friend, I don't see the flag on my side. All I see is letters. So what it showed up to me was GB, like, and it's like small letters. It didn't show me a flag. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't see that on my side. All I seen was the letters GB. I knew it was like, well, whenever I see it, I know it's like a country, but it'd be like different abbreviations. I don't know all the country abbreviations. So that's. It wasn't UK though. It was GB. I don't know what that means. I don't know, but yeah, it didn't show me a flag. Nobody loves a liar, and a liar is a thief, and that's Jag's biggest accomplishment. Absolutely. How will J and B And Dream respond, girl. Oh, Great Britain. Okay, except for Great Britain. Okay, on period. Thank you, friend. Y'all so smart. Y'all so smart. She not satisfied until she think it's somewhere with all those lies. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Gathering closest up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
And ran by Sean Carter. They were able to go and get all of these witnesses because he was there with Robert Kelly. How does Jay-Z sit down with Gayle King and she not ask him one question about the intersection between him and Aaliyah and Robert Kelly? This is insane that people...
We are in overtime, you guys. We are in overtime. We're still looking for 6 people to hop out of the bushes and pit 5 on it. That official Kingpin can keep. Where's all my people that was dropping that popcorn coming over to the movie theater after the show to watch Blink Twice? Blink Twice win. Let's make sure that we get this feature film in-house so that the Crown family can enjoy. Gathering close.
People keep refusing.
Thank you,
to
Tiffany.
see what's
Thank
right
you, friend.
there. If the Me Too movement were real, why aren't they speaking now? They've also been very
We're in
quiet in this
overtime.
time of
We're
the
in
Diddler's
overtime,
downfall.
y'all.
Jaguar,
Guess they on vacation.
if this goes to court, Jaguar, do you think that the world is going to be shocked by what comes out?
Oh, absolutely. I just don't know why they are. It's been happening in front of everyone's faces for decades. For decades.
How many victims?
What's the difference between me and Judy Garland? Social media.
Who asked that? Is she just blurting out shit now? She's having a little mental break. Somebody said at this moment, Piers Morgan realized that Jackie is batshit crazy. This moment, he realized that he had fucked up. That's what Piers get for not researching his guests, okay? Judy Garland had a career. That's the difference, okay? The fuck? Oh, shit. Where my trophies at? Where my trophies at? Hop out of the bush to support the show. What's happening? She's having a manic breakdown on Piers Morgan's show. He about to give it a boot. Watch this.
How many victims?
There was none for her.
How many victims potentially do you think there could be?
Thousands. Thousands.
Well, where's they at? Where's they at? Thousands of victims. My. Not Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. Girl, she's having a moment. She will never be able to sing as well as Judy Garland. Okay, what the fuck? She can never be Judy. Oh, and I heard she didn't get paid for this. I see feeding the feds their info now. My. She want to get arrested for that PPP loan. Is that what that was? Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
I've talked to hundreds that I deal with still myself. I have 3 victims right now who are willing to give testimony about not only what Mr. Carter has done to them, but his wife as well. They're a nasty little couple. They do nasty things.
But you the one with all the receipts. You got all of the receipts, you know, all of the heinous allegations, and you sat on them for years and did nothing. Allowed these people that you allege are so nasty and deviant to blow up. Like, these people have been in the game much longer than 4 years. What were you doing all the other years? Being complicit.
What do you think happened with Kim?
Keeping people against their will. Putting people on planes while they're unconscious, just like Aaliyah got on that plane. unconscious. There's a lot of things that people don't want to talk about, Piers.
Aaliyah got on a plane unconscious now. Jackie got you, girl. That lithium win, okay, on period. Okay, on period. Y'all like this video, like this video, like this video, and remember to support the show. We can't do it without you. We can't do it without you. We still looking for 6 people to hop out of the bushes and pit 5 on it win. I'm trying to watch this movie win. I'm trying to watch this movie. Blink twice. What's going on?
Listen, like I said, Jay-Z and Beyonce are not here, unfortunately, to respond to that.
I know. I'm just being honest with you.
You're perfectly entitled to your views, obviously. Kim Porter,
Yes.
a new book claims that Diddy may have been involved in her early death. What do you think of that?
I think people should really look into that more. I am friends with Albie Shore. I love him. I love his children. I knew Kim. We used to all hang out together at the Kit Kat Club back in the mid-90s when Diddy was first starting his reign. I watched that whole thing happen.
She's such a
And
DUI bop.
everything that Albert has been through, every attempt on his life that has been ignored by the authorities, it all leads back to Diddy, and everyone knows it. The wiretapping of the phones, putting air tag on children during visits. These are normal practices that these people do.
Jaguar.
Okay, Jackie. Time for you to go.
I got to leave it there. I really appreciate you joining me. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
Did he cut her off mid-sentence?
And thank you for caring.
I do care.
I do care. Just not about what you talk about.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm joined now by the host of Vlad TV, DJ Vlad. DJ Vlad, I mean, it's pretty horrifying listening to these.
Oh shit, he had to get her crazy ass the fuck ASAP. He said, oh, it's time for her ass to go. Oh shit. Oh shit. He got up. No, that was the most. He said, look, I have to drop you, girl. It's time for you to go. Mid-sentence. Jackie, she did her big one. Jackie, you're an embarrassment to yourself. Okay, and everybody around you. Vlad.
Testimonies. What did you make of what you just heard?
Well, Jaguar Wright is known to be a conspiracy theorist. I don't really co-sign anything that she says.
Okay.
I've never had her on my show, and I don't have any plans to have her on my show.
You don't believe her?
She's got an album in 20 years, and a lot of this stuff is just stuff she's heard, things she's making up, and so forth. I'm not saying that there aren't serious things that Diddy may have done, but yeah, I can't co-sign anything that Jaguar Wright is.
First of all, AirTags wasn't even around back then. We didn't have AirTags 2 decades ago. Matter of fact, let's go to Google. When were AirTags invented? Apple wouldn't even release AirTags until 2021. Girl, why do we keep popping Jackie's ass like this? Why do we keep popping Jackie like this? Jackie, what are you talking about? You're so fucking... Apple released AirTags on April 30th, 2021. My. Y'all like this video, like this video, win. Remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle, Crypto, PayPal. If you want to do it, let's go.
Same, if that's your question.
We're looking for more people to hop out of the bushes and pit 5 on it, win, so that we can watch Blink twice after the show, gathering close.
I mean, obviously, since we last spoke, there have now been these charges against Diddy, which are incredibly serious. You didn't think at the time we last spoke that he was likely to face...
Dude, you can earn almost 10.
Yeah, go on. Like this video, and remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, and Zelle. lot going on. Now, what happened?
You surprised it's come to this?
I'm not surprised because I feel that law enforcement in general is reactionary. I think that when you look at high-profile individuals, their arrests, indictments usually come after a documentary, a big TV show, or in Diddy's case, it was this huge lawsuit that Cassie filed, and everyone got to see all the details and all the attention that came to it. So, yeah, it wasn't a surprise that it actually happened because you've seen this happen over and over again. R. Kelly, Harvey Weinstein, all the attention they got, and then now Diddy. So, yeah, I mean, this is ultimately the world that we live in. But he'll have his day in court. And, his lawyer said that he's not going to take a plea deal, because I think a plea deal at this point is probably going to be very heavy-handed, probably 20 years plus. So it makes sense for him to go to court. But we'll ultimately see what happens, because we haven't really seen, apart from some of the funny stuff of, oh, there's 1 million bottles of lube that they found there. I'm sorry, 1,000 bottles of lube and so forth.
Okay, Fran, yes. If he giving her more time, Fran, if she had a little bit more time, she would have started talking about Sean David Wade, the Fisher King Payne, Danny Robinson, Tasha K, Clive Davis, a troll fire, all of it, girl. Ooh, had to given her just 5 more minutes, Win, girl. I know that I would have made the Piers Morgan show. I know that, Win. Okay, I have no doubt if he gave her like 5 more minutes, she would have weaseled the Official King Payne onto the Piers Morgan show. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Y'all like this video? Like this video, Win. Oh, wannabe cop inside. Lord, he went to the parties too. My. He said he ain't never been to a party now.
We have yet to really see what the evidence is. And I think once we see the actual evidence, then people will actually formulate an opinion on what's happening right now.
Do you think there's a lot of people in the rap world in particular who are pretty fearful right now of where this may all lead? Right. Is it a bit like the Epstein scandal, do you think?
I don't really think so, because, I mean, ultimately, everyone wanted to go to Diddy's white parties when they were happening. If I got an invite, I would go. But there's a party within a party. There's the actual party where the big celebrities go to, the Howard Sterns and the Leonardo DiCaprios.
And we're going to talk about the party within the party tonight on the main channel as we continue to cover the developing story, Diddy's indictment. So make sure that you guys are on the main channel, the Official King Payne show. Later today, Denzel speaking out. Yeah. Denzel's talking about the 2-sided parties that Diddy used to have. And there's a man that said that he was just 6. There's receipts. Oh, I got him. Come to find out, the reason that Diddy had access to kids is because people would bring their kids to his parties. And then he would have a separate area that he would tell the people that the kids can go to. Giving Diddy access to people's kids. My. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together, Win, okay, on Period. See, that's what we like about. We like receipts. You can't just tell a clown shit. Okay, on Period. I don't give a fuck what didn't happen. We all done been through some shit. Okay, you want a platform, you want to speak out, bitch, come with a fucking receipt. Never the fuck you get through. Shit. Is it undone? Is it undone? Yes, send your song request to the Cash App. Send your song request to the Cash App. Win. It's up and stuck here in the home of the lituation. Let's go. Thank you, Deneen, friend. Yes, I'll follow my friend Deneen over there to the support feature. Win. 5 down, 5 to go. Win. Yes. We're still looking for 5 trophies to pop out of the bushes with 5 on it. The number of the day is 25. Win. It's up and stuck here in the home of the lituation. Let's go.
And so forth. You never hear of any of them really being involved in this stuff. They go home, at 2-3 o'clock a.m. And then there's the private parties that seem to involve the sex workers and probably certain types of people that are kind of in an inner circle. No. And we'll see if those names ultimately come out or not. I think that when it comes to a situation like the feds, cooperating is a very big thing. And I think if Diddy cooperates and gives up some big names of actual crimes that they committed, that'd be a way of actually, lessening the amount of time that he does, or possibly even walking away.
Thank you for
what had you heard about Diddy over the years? Obviously, people knew he had parties. They knew he was a big rap star and so on. But the nature of this kind of thing, I'm asking because when I watched, for example, I met Diddy a couple of times. He was always perfectly charming to me. But I've met a lot of people who are charming and turned out to be monsters. The video that came out of showing him beating up his then girlfriend in a hotel corridor was so shocking that when I watched it, I remember thinking, well, this guy is capable of anything. I mean, a man that would do that, who's that famous, who would do that to a woman in a hotel corridor, public hotel corridor, if he's prepared to be that violent in public, knowing there might be cameras around, he's prepared to do pretty much anything, was my conclusion. I mean, what did you hear about him over the years?
Yeah, I mean, that tape was horrific. And after our interview that we did with Roger Bonds, who I helped to bring onto the show, I did my own interview with Roger Bonds. It was a very in-depth, I think, two-hour interview, where he goes into actually witnessing a lot of women that were physically abused by Diddy. I mean, not only Cassie, of course, which he saw multiple times, but Kim Porter. He was on a trip where Kim Porter got her nose.
And they did nothing. And they did nothing. And they did nothing. Held on to this information for years, only to create YouTube channels to talk about it for financial gain. Like, make it make sense. All these me not a mans, okay, on period. That is not respectable at all, to sit up and let these women get beat on. Only to talk about it like you so cool, like Gene. What's cool about Gene Deal? You sat there and allowed Diddy do a bop all over the globe when you did nothing about it. I know that's right. 6 down, 4 to go. You guys all follow my friend Hope over there to support Feature and support the show. 6 down, 4 to go. We're still looking for 4 people to hop out of the bush and put 5 on it. Win. It's up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
Broken allegedly by Diddy and flew in a plastic surgeon to fix it. There was a personal chef that Diddy beat up. I actually heard voicemails of her describing it. This wasn't even something that she wanted to come publicly with. There was other women as well that I got details on. So I think that Diddy has a long history of violence towards women, but also men, because there's also the Steve Stout incident. If you remember that whole situation, he was in a music video with Nas, Hate Me Now, and there was a scene where Diddy was on the cross like Jesus, and I guess he went to Steve Stout afterwards and said that he wants to take that part out. That part wasn't taken out, so Diddy and his entourage show up at Steve Stout's office and they beat him with a champagne bottle.
My. Yeah, Diddy has a very violent history. Diddy, in my opinion, is right where he needs to be. A lot of people, are trying to make this like a black thing. This is definitely not a black thing. This is a Diddy thing. Diddy did it. It's only a matter of time before karma caught up with him. We've heard over the years all of the heinous things that Diddy has been a part of, and for some reason he kept slipping through the cracks. Well, those days are long gone, being that the feds have indicted him, which means that they have enough information, more than enough information, to prosecute him criminally. The feds don't come a knocking until they got a pretty solid case. Like this video. It's up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
Which they ultimately settled out of court for. So I think there's a lot of violence that has happened around him, and I think at this point, it's just catching up to him.
Yes, and do you guys know that episode 7 is coming out tomorrow on the Lituation Network? Yeah, so you guys all make sure that you guys are subscribed to Lituation Network. You don't want to miss episode 7. It's the most anticipated episode yet.
There's lots of rumor mills about him being secretly gay or bisexual or whatever. I don't care, but do you think there's much credence to those?
It's hard to say. I have heard, because remember, for example, the Wendy Williams situation. She was on the radio in New York, and she said that she had photos of Diddy in a gay type environment of some sort. And I had someone actually explain to me what that photo was after the fact. And Diddy came in and threatened to sue the radio station unless she was fired. And she was fired, and she had to go to Philly for, I think, 5 years or something like that. So there was that. I'm not sure how true it is, because it was just a photo, and the photo, could mean a lot of different things. The fact that he's a cuckold, that he likes to masturbate while watching.
Like this video, and remember to support the show. Not Diddy is a cuckold. When Lord, like this video, it's up and stuck here in the home of the Lituation. We're looking for 4 more people to hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it. Let's go.
Watching women that he's with have sex with other men. I don't know. Is that gay? Is that bisexual? Is that just being a cuckold? It's hard to say. It's not something that I'm actually into. But I'm sure it blurs the lines between homosexuality.
Now, Vlad, we both know what you into, Vlad. My. I didn't know it was a secret. Lord, let me shut up.
homosexuality and bisexuality somewhat. But I don't think he's exclusively gay because he has a lot of children. It's hard to really say, and it ultimately doesn't really matter. And, you know, I've talked about this in my interviews. I think if he came forward and said, hey, I'm a bisexual man, I think a lot of the jokes, like the no Diddy jokes and so forth, will kind of ease down and people might actually be a little understanding of his situation a little bit more as opposed to him denying it. But ultimately, who knows? I have no idea.
I mean, we've talked, people have talked a lot in the last few years that it's unusual that so few people in the music business have been held to account under the Me Too campaign umbrella in the way that other industries were held to account. Could this be, following R. Kelly and others, could this be a tipping point where there might be a lot of other rap stars in particular, perhaps with very checkered backgrounds, lots of rumors about them, could all start falling like dominoes?
It's hard to say. Like I said in the beginning, it's very reactionary. I think if there is a lot of media attention over somebody.
Hey, Mark, how you doing, friend?
There's a documentary about them. There's movies about them and so forth. I think that that ends up getting on law enforcement's radar, and then you will see things kind of escalate very quickly. You know, it's hard to say. R. Kelly was extremely high profile. And there will be others, but I don't think that the music industry is really having less situations than other industries. I mean,
Oh, why aren't they texting me back? Are they mad at me?
Like this video, like this video, like this video, win. Oh, and remember to support the show. We can't do it without your support. Win. My. Who's coming to the movies after the show? Win. Make sure that you pay your admission. Win. Okay, I'm pay $5. Win. We're looking for 4 more people to hop out of the bush to pay $5 on it so we can get this movie. Okay, I'm pay. Everybody talking about it. Everybody talking about this. What Diddy did to the girls. This is what Diddy did to the girls. Okay, on period. This is what they remember from Star Island. Win. Okay, on period. Blink twice. Win. Gather in close. Win. Support this video. Win. We're looking for 4 more people to hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it. Yes, it did. That official Kingpin can keep. Yes, it did. Gathering close.
Certain situations and they're high profile, and there's a bunch of other stuff that kind of falls below the radar.
Finally, DJ, what do you think is going to happen here? Do you think Diddy will ever come out of prison?
That's a tough one, because I was really shocked that he didn't get a bond. I thought for sure that he'd be sitting in his mansion right now awaiting trial, but he's sitting in a jail cell right now. And it could be years before this actually makes it to trial. So it proves that things are very, very serious on his end. And if you look at the R. Kelly situation, he got, I believe, 30 years. This may fall along the same lines. Except the only difference is when I looked into the R. Kelly case, a lot of the convictions were based on underage girls. You know, you've heard a few spatterings of underage accusations, but in general, it seemed like most of the women were of legal age in the Diddy case. So I'm thinking it won't be as severe as it is.
Somebody said, what about the children? You know, Jackie keeps alleging that, you know, there's kids. I mean, the feds haven't found any evidence, you know. I'm sure if the feds find evidence of, you know, misconduct with children, that it will come out. I mean, that would have been what they would have led with. I mean, he already looks, you know, terrible, you know. I'm sure if there was, and you know, this is a criminal investigation, so the charges could change as they discover more information. So who's to say there's not kids? I'm just saying, as of right now, the feds haven't said anything whatsoever about kids. Okay, that is the civil stuff. That is Jackie. And again, anybody can file civil lawsuits, just like anybody can make an accusation. We all got assholes and opinions, and you know, you kind of gotta, you know, when being presented with all of these civil cases, you know, take everything, you know, with, you know, just be cautious of the information, because there's a lot of people out here looking for a big money grab.
It is with Diddy, as it is with R. Kelly. But for someone like Diddy, who's in his mid-50s, he doesn't want to spend 5, 10, 20 years in prison. No. He wants to get out. He wants to keep it moving. So I think he will get out of prison at one point. It's just hard to say, you know, right now what it's going to be.
Yeah, it is. It's a fascinating story. DJ Vai, thank you very much indeed for joining me. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
I'm joined now by...
And we don't even have time for this Ariel person, because she's a liar. She's a liar. If you guys are interested in that interview in its entirety, go and check out the Piers Morgan show. She's worse than Jackie, if you ask me. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Cause you know, yeah, I'm gonna save that commentary for another day. Yes, it did. Say that commentary for another day. Y'all like this video? Like this video? Like this video? Well, oh, so Jackie is again in violation. She violated her restraining order again, Win friend. And I got all of the receipts. Nasty posting, delete Win, Jackie. Twitter fingers aren't strong enough for the crown. I keep on trying to tell the girls that Win. Oh, like this video, like this video, like this video, Win. We are in overtime, Win. We've been here for 2 hours and 30 minutes. I need 4 more people to hop out of the bushes and support this video. Support this video because I'm trying to go watch Blink Twice after the show. How many of y'all trying to come watch Blink Twice after the show? Let me see some crowns in the chat. Let me see some popcorn in the chat. Let me see some parties. So something in the chat. Wake this chat up, Win. Okay, on period. Let's shake this motherfucking shake these motherfucking YouTube streets up, Win. Okay, on period. The more you interact, the more people come, Win. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and stuck here in the home of the lituation. Oh, are you guys over there on the receipt book? Oh, all the receipts are over there on the receipt book, Win. Okay, that's where all the receipts reside, friend. That's where all of the receipts reside. But this is violation number 3. I'm gonna have to start numbering the violations. Okay, numbering each time we catch Jaguar Wright in violation of her bond and her restraining order. Win. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Now, if you guys have a membership to the receipt book, then you guys already have access to this information. You guys have already heard the video. You guys have already listened to the audio. Jaguar Wright violating a niece once again. Yes, it did. Yeah, so I see Black Butterfly. I see Danny Lynn, Denal, G. Win, Joanna, Sister Soul. Everybody coming over to the movie theater after the show. Look, we got 4 more trophies to get before we go play this movie. Before we go and play this movie, we got 4 more trophies to get. Crown family, hop out of the bushes and support the show. Win. We're looking for 4 more people to pick 5 on our review. Big dog, just gonna send 29 Win. Okay, on period. Because I gotta go purchase this movie. Yeah, and I gotta get me some snacks and come on back. Yes, it is. The Blue Sponge cannot offer Jaguar enough money to come back to Dallas. My. Ooh. My. Like this video, like this video, like this video. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the lituation trophies. Hop out of the bushes, Win. Hop up out of them bushes, Win. We got another post and delete. Jackie is in violation of that bond, Win. Okay, on period. In jail is a knocking on a door, Win. Do you guys think that Jackie will remain free throughout the year? Or is she looking at spending her holidays behind bars? Let me know your thoughts in the chat.
So, honey, they're trying to say that I'm a prostitute now. Who's saying that?
Jackie, you are a prostitute, girl. Sex worker, dominatrix, madam. That's what you said.
A2 titties? Oh, no.
Titties? The one that you swam to Star Island with to save them girls? The manatee? Your bestie? My. Oh, wrong bestie. Your bestie, the manatee? Not 2 titties. My. Where y'all mugshot go? I done lost a picture of Jackie and her bestie. My. It was here on last night. It was definitely here on last night. Yes, it did. Oh, there we go. Jackie and her bestie. Yes, it did. What didn't happen when, girl?
Oh, it was whatchamacallit? It was the Star that said that I was and still is a prostitute. Yeah, Star said that. Yeah, he did. Thank you for the 1 like. And as
you are still a prostitute. You were just selling your pussy for $40 a pop on motherfucking POF. That's what Sip told us. That's what Sip told us. Sip told us all about catching you and TJ on POF. Yes, he did. I'm not lying, you girl.
to come into the room, if you wouldn't mind. Could you please hit the like button on the way in and on the way out? It's all good. So yeah, I was just live on Instagram on my big page, on the Jaguar Wright page, and my live got reported again. They said that I was stalking and harassing someone, and I was doing.
And what was you doing on that live, Jackie? Was you calling into the courts, alleging that you couldn't make it? Wasn't it the live where you called into the courts, alleging that you couldn't make it, girl? My.
Doing this, and I was doing that when I wasn't. But you know what? Getting that live mass reported and taking down, do you know what it did do? It stopped everybody from being able to go back and watch that video and hear me on the phone live with the clerk's office. Hear me on the phone live with the constable's office. I find it interesting that
So why was you live? I thought you was at court. You said that you was at court today. So why are you on the phone with the constable's office if you went to court? Why? What is the need to contact the constables if you were in court taking care of your responsibility? It sounds like a dusty bitch was late to court on today. Sounds like a dusty bitch missed court on today. Sounds like the official kingpin is right and is not putting out misinformation. We stick to the receipts here, Jackie. It always pays off. My.
Time I speak up for myself and the victims and what is right, next thing you know, here comes Tasha K and her troll farm to report. False reporting. Oh, it's definitely called hating. It's definitely called hating. And they are so upset.
Not Tasha K is hating on Jackie. My. It's definitely called hating. It's definitely called hating. I beg to differ. Nobody hating on the will to be.
About me sitting with PIERS. Hey, Lemon Pepper. Hi, Terry's Journey. Hey,
like this video. Let's
Tasha K
interact
is
in the
most
chat.
definitely being protected by someone in law enforcement somewhere. What I don't understand is how someone with her extensive cyber criminal history, why people keep letting her operate online. It's clear it's time for the gold she witch to be taken offline. That's clear. Oh, thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Hi, Kai Storm. You know, it's good evening, and you must be over there in Australia because it's top of the day here. So now I'm getting word back that I'm trending on Twitter and that people are calling me a prostitute.
Are you surprised that you're trending for everything other than what you wanted to trend for? People didn't hear the narrative that you created. Instead, people heard you say that you're a sex worker and prostitute, and immediately your credibility was destroyed.
Welcome, Ashley. Welcome, Rebecca. Hey, Gina.
A profane prostitute.
Why is that? Why is it okay for people to sit online and lie about me, lie about my criminal history, which is really non-existent? There is no criminal history. The only thing are these new fake charges. People have been running around lying.
Only thing are these new fake charges. Well, as you guys can see from the receipts that I shared with you guys earlier in the live, that there's nothing fake about these charges. Jaguar Wright is up to her own old antics again. Just like with Crime Stopper, she's going around saying it was a hoax. It was a troll farm, only to be real life arrested and need a real life bond and real life attorneys just to manipulate her way out. I don't know if she's gonna be so lucky this time. They're gonna snatch the first thing they're gonna do when she get to jail this time. I'm sure of it, is snatch that fucking amulet. I done already alerted the authorities about the fucking amulet when okay up here. So they're gonna get that bitch this time. Watch.
Lying to people in the public, creating Facebook campaigns, destroying my character for years. And now that everything that I've been telling y'all is finally coming to the light, here they are. To report, and to lie. What y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna start stalking Piers Morgan Uncensored channel too? Y'all gonna report his video to all high heaven, y'all?
For why? Okay, that $20,000 insufficient bond is not fake, Jackie. You fucked up with the king, and your life is going to continue to crumble until you do right by the official kingpin. I keep trying to told you, girl. I keep trying to told you, girl, Win. Okay, on period. That was me. Yeah, now when you sit down this time, you could think about the official kingpin and all of the good things the crown did for the girl. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. And all of the blessings that she'll never get again, at least not from the crown.
Y'all gonna try to get him struck? Where is his strike emails from the KB studio people? Thank you. Thank you for those who have been believing me. Thank you for those who have been believing me from day one. Guess what? You need to pat yourself on the back because that means you still have the ability to recognize the truth.
Ooh.
That's what it means.
That means you still drinking a Kool-Aid. You still batshit crazy. You need lithium just like Jackie, okay? Push away from the table, friend. Push away.
People do, for whatever reason, they do enjoy being lied to. I don't know why. Like people like Star, like the Star Report. Like, it's so weird. The Jay-Z dick eating is like on a whole nother level with that dude. Hey,
but I thought you were the one that was eating Jay-Z dick. Didn't he get you pregnant at 13?
Jay-Z is not Diddy, and Jay-Z is a different kind. I know I've been saying that, you goofy bitch. I've been saying he's a lot more calculated. He has a lot more discipline. He was willing to get the fake wife to cover up the gay life. He was willing to do all of that other stuff. And now you're saying, everyone's saying Diddy's being punished because he didn't get married. You know, like when Umar said.
Nobody has ever said Jay-Z was gay. I mean, as a matter of fact, what is Corinne Steffens? She wrote a whole book about Jay-Z dick. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Superhead weird. Okay, we all know the Jay-Z is not floating around like that. We in Jackie. We in okay on period. Now we I just don't like this bitch. Oh, she's so trash, man. Like, gathering close.
What he said? Diddy should have got a wife. Diddy didn't do what everyone else did. And the thing is I don't think it was that he was defending Diddy. I think he was explaining that there are rules. There are rules to staying in the Shluminati and to keeping up the appearance. And Diddy tried to get around them.
Yes, friend, we're still looking for 4 more people to hop out of the bushes and pit 5 on it, win, so that we can get this movie. Win, hop out of the bushes, like this video, support this video. When we got Cash App, Super Chat, Bimbo, Zell, we got our own nasty post and delete by Jackie, win, gather in close, another violation of a restraining order, win. Guys, so who you think gonna get her first, California or Dallas? Let me know in the chat. Take the poll, put a 1 in the chat for Dallas, put a 2 in the chat for California. Who you think gonna get Jackie first? California or Dallas? Take the poll, take the poll, take the poll. Take the poll, take the poll, take the poll. Take the poll. Let me see what the people are saying. Oh, Callie. Y'all think Callie gonna get her first for the violation of the restraining order? My. Oh, so for the most part, people think that California's gonna get it first, and then there's a few people that think that Dallas is going to get Jackie first. My. It's up and stuck here in the home other situation. Let's go.
Now allegedly he's secretly getting married to the same woman he had stalking Kim Porter. It's strange. But all of that Jay-Z worship. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. All that Hold on. Detectives yesterday arrested a popular disc jockey.
06.
Oh, in 06. Oh, wow, this is May 13th, 2006 in the New York Times. Detectives yesterday arrested a popular disc jockey with one of the city's leading hip.
It's 2024, though. Like, everybody has very much so something in the background. Slowdell was a prostitute. Well, let's go over his criminal background.
pop stations for making on-air threats to track down and SA the 4-year-old daughter of a rival.
That's what she wants.
Which one? Oh, well, I know he's a pervert. Everyone knows Star is a pervert.
I know that's right. You guys all follow Hollywood SC over there to the support feature and support the show. Support the show. Support the show. Win. Okay, on period. It's up and it's stuck here in the home of the situation. Looking for 4 trophies. Hop out of the bushes. Yes, it did.
Which is why I said what I said about his old partner. He better be very careful. He better be very careful. See, I've been looking after these girls for years. And boys. They know that the cops ain't gonna help them. They know that. They know that.
So allegedly, Jackie has been looking out for girls and boys for years, and she's been keeping a secret. My question is, where are these girls and boys at when you fucking needed them? When you fucking needed something to eat? When you fucking needed clothes? When you needed a hotel stay? When you need to get bailed out of jail? You know, all of these people, you done saved all of these people's lives. You done changed all of these people's lives. Where the fuck are they at when you need them? Bitch, you're a fucking liar and the truth is not in you. You don't know a fucking soul that is willing to vouch for you and to help you in your time of need. That was me. And you fucked that up being an evil twat. A lying ass, vindictive, deceitful, manipulative, narcissistic bitch. You don't know anybody, no girls, no guys, that will co-sign your stories. If so, bring them forward. I challenge you. I challenge you on today. The official King Payne is challenging Jackie to bring out her survivors. I mean, they owe you one, don't they? Guys, oh, thank you, Deneen. Thank you, Frail. Guys, 7 down, 3 to go. 7 down, 3 to go. Hop out of the bushes and support the show. Win. Hop out of the bushes and support the show. Win. Yes, it is. 7 down, 3 to go. We're looking for 3 more people to hop out of the bushes and put 5 on it. Let's go.
Yeah, that was about Star. Back in 2006. Y'all guessed it right? Yeah. What I just read you from May 13th, 2006? Yeah. That was Star. Maybe that's why he's on YouTube and not really on the radio like that anymore.
Ooh.
Maybe that's what it is. You think I'm going to stun on some weirdo like Star who has to go on the radio?
Jackie, have you ever been on radio? Jag know for a fact people about to turn her in. Okay. That's why you better lay low. Jackie better lay low. Jackie better lay low. They clear that prayer. 8 down, 2 to go. 8 down, 2 to go. Hop out of the bushes and support the show. We're looking for two more trophies to hop out of the bushes and support so we can get this movie. Blink twice so we can watch it after the show. I'll see you all there.
Oh, and threaten to essay somebody's 4-year-old child. Haven't you noticed that all of the it's the weirdos?
We need to interview Legina, friend.
It's all of these weirdos.
I'll reach out, see how Legina doing.
Messing around with kids, threatening kids.
When
I got on there, he didn't want to believe that it was me until I sang a little bit of Heart in the City and said, nobody's got a voice like mine. Now you know it's me.
Oh, did anybody catch her trying to sing Heart in the City on Star Report? Oh, it was horrible. We're going to be talking about the Star Report dragging of Jackie on tomorrow, Win, or maybe later tonight, Win. Okay, I already got the video scheduled. I got a lot of videos over here scheduled, Win, okay, on period. I'm sticking to my schedule. I'm not overworking myself this time. I got to stick to my schedule, and I got to, continue to input new things so that we can pump this content out. Yes, it did. Like this video, Win. Remember to support the show. The number of the day is 25, and we need 2 more people to hop out of the bushes and drop those trophies so that we can get over here to this after show.
And I asked him, I said, I got 3 questions to ask you. And I asked him, is Jay-Z better than Martin Luther King? He said, well, I don't know. They've done different things. I said, yeah.
Thank you, Tiffany Riley. Thank you, friend. Oh, Thank you, friend. Yes, you did. Ooh, 9 down, 1 to go, 1 to go. We're looking for one more trophy to hop out of the bushes and support the show so I can go buy this movie. Win. The number of the day is 25. Win. It's up in the stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go. Let's go.
He actually did something for his community. No, I didn't say Martin Luther King. I said Malcolm X. There was someone else I asked him. I asked him, was he better than Barack Obama? He couldn't answer that either. He couldn't get to the third one. And the third one that I was going to ask him, is Jay-Z better than God? Because that's who he's trying to pretend to be. For sure.
Maybe
that's who he's been pretending to be. I guess we know that you bow down to him.
What?
Y'all got to stop. Yes, he's a butt buddy. Birds of a feather flock together. Jazzo told, oh, no. You got to go, bitch. Yeah, you out of here. We hiding you from the channel right now. Buy income and outgoing. Go over there with your boyfriend in that wheelchair. Y'all can roll around some new lies together. I could say the couple that lies together fries together.
My. Oh, the challenge is 5, friend. The challenge is 5, and technically, friend, we're supposed to be sending it to the Cash App. When I can't use the super chat to buy a movie. I can't. Technically, I can't use that money, and I won't have access to it until 30 days. And YouTube only gives us 55% of that. So technically, I'm only getting a little over $1. So yeah. But thank you, friend. I appreciate your support. When yes, it did. We are still looking for one trophy to hop out of the bushes and send a Cash App donation so we can use the funds to buy the movie. Yes, it did. I can't use Super Chat to buy movies. Okay. Like this video. It's up and stuck here in the home of the situation. Let's go.
Together, you know. Get your ass on. Find some real content. See, what they're really mad about right now is that they did all of this hate. They did this big campaign and they made all of their careers slandering me. They built up all of their careers trying to disprove me. And they're not even careers. They're all hacks. But let's just be honest.
Yes, thank you, friend. Shout out to Tiffany, friend.
Oh, yeah, there are definitely WWE wrestlers that are involved in all of this foolishness. Hey, Sammy. It's just wild. We had over 2,200 people live on my Instagram page before it was false reported, and taken down, while I was live online with the clerk's office, asking them, when are people going to be held accountable for continuing to keep playing with my cases, which, by the way, are all fraud. All fraud. None of it is legal, and all of it violated my civil liberties. And the only reason they're stretching it out.
Girl, you're the one stretching it out by not showing up to court. Jackie, the one stretching it out. My. Lord.
Out. The only reason they're stretching it out is because they don't want me to have the ability to sue them civilly, because I will win. And we are. Might not be now. Might be a little later. Actually,
and they suing. Girl. And Slowdale just encouraged Jackie's crazy. That's what that were.
Actually, I don't even need anything to eat. We got plenty of food still up here. I forgot we had that chicken sandwich. Ew. But I do need some coffee. And I do need to get into the gym. And we promised our manager. It's so nice to have a manager again, a real one. Yeah, you know. Hey, MGT. All of them. Like, at the end of the day, it's just time to start looking at things for how it really is, for what it really is. All of them are responsible. And if they're not down with it, and if they're not into it, they're covering. Hey. Because don't forget, we have to get down to the courthouse. And then we have to get to the studio and go to work.
My. Thought you already went to the courthouse, Jackie. Thought you made it, girl. Don't sound like you made it to me. Don't sound like Jackie made it to the courthouse at all. My. Let me know your thoughts in the chat.
Simply the best. Ooh. Ooh, better than all the rest. I love that screen name. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, of course. I'm going to court. I have nothing to be afraid of. I don't think Trump's involved with any of this Schluminati business. I think that's the reason why they really don't want him to get in office, because he's probably going to throw all of them in jail. You know, thank you. Oh my God. You know, never give up. Never give up. Never stop fighting for the truth. The truth will always come to light. The question is, do you have the ability to weather the storm? See, God lets us go through storms for the testimony. Why do I need to stop going live?
Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Girl. Okay. Oh shit. This girl.
You can't get any work done because you keep watching. Don't you do that. Don't you blame that on me. Oh, Team Jack, thank you. Never stop and never give up. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Makai. Never give up. God doesn't give up on us. How can we so easily give up on the truth? What about QAnon? There's a lot of stuff going on. People really, 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 really need to pay close attention. Just close attention. Oh, you woke up to a Jag live? Awesome. It's nice to be the first voice you hear today. And, you know, this is a quick one. I just wanted to stop in and say censorship is real. They do not want people supporting. They do not want people donating. They do not want people believing. But now that it's out there, how can we not believe what we see? Trump said Diddy was a good guy with his TV show. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. I don't think he's saying it now. You know, a lot of people don't understand. Like, it's secrets. It's the secrets in lot. What do you mean, Omarion? Anything that came up underneath Chris Stokes was abused, was SA'd, was human transferred. That's what Chris Stokes does. I feel bad for Omarion because I think he feels bad. And I know he feels bad about what they did to Raz-B. But the truth is, Omarion isn't the brave type. Omarion is your typical broken soldier because he doesn't want to have to deal with the hate, because he doesn't want to have to deal with the vitriol, because he doesn't want to have to deal with the responsibility, because he doesn't want to have to answer those terrible questions like, why was your career more important than getting justice? They all know Chris Stokes is wrong. And now that everybody's realizing that him and the diddler have a working relationship in the backdrop, all of these people mess with kids.
My. So you sat around while these people mess with kids and you did nothing. You say you have receipts, you have videos. And to this day, you have not turned any of this evidence over to the authorities. Like, what do you expect people to make of these narratives, Jackie?
You got judges like Ann Kiley out there in LA giving sole custody to people who choose to work with child pedo porn productions and grooming. Why didn't nobody check her background before she just started going into court, filing a bunch of shit so she doesn't have to pay alimony?
My. What was that? Was that a violation? Did I hear a violation? Was that a violation?
Answer those terrible questions like, why was your career more important than getting justice? They all know Chris Stokes is wrong. And now that everybody's realizing that him and the diddler have a working relationship in the backdrop, all of these people mess with kids. You got judges like Ann Kiley out there in LA giving sole custody to people who choose to work with child pedo porn productions.
My. Is she still talking about Anise? Is she still talking about Anise? Is that what that was? Oh, what was that movie I was supposed to be adding the movie to the damn site. Hold on, what movie was I adding to the site? Oh, yeah, Shazam, because they said it wasn't real. So we have to. You guys been hearing all the controversy over the Shazam movie? They said it wasn't real. So I went into the archives and I actually pulled the Shazam movie, and I'll be adding the Shazam movie to the Lituation Network. When if anybody's interested, what is his name? What is his name? Now I'm forgetting stuff. Okay, on period. Sinbad. Sinbad came forward and said it wasn't a real movie. He had it taken down. You can't find it, etc., etc., etc. Well, it turns out it actually is a real movie. I pulled it from the archives and if you guys want to see it, yeah, so it's going to be available on the receipt book today. Okay, on period. As well as some other movies, we update the receipt book with movies and stuff. I'm trying to see if I can get this Blink Twice movie on there. So bear with me. Yes, it did. Oh, did y'all hear that violation? Jackie violated that bond again. Anise, come over here and get these receipts, girl.
You got judges like Ann Kiley out there in LA giving sole custody to people who choose to work with child pedo corn productions and grooming. Why didn't nobody check her background before she just started going into court, filing a bunch of shit so she doesn't have to pay alimony? See, that's what that were. That's okay. As far as I'm concerned, I don't want a dollar that comes from Ms. Fuller Hutchinson in my life.
Oh,
keep your money because I know where it comes from and it's all dirty.
My. Oh, you mad that Adele's the one that have to pay and not Anise? My. Your blood pressure wouldn't be so high, Jackie, right now if you just minded your own fucking business like I told your ass to begin with. What Slowdale and Anise got going on is none of your business, twat. Whenever you get through. Should spend more time focusing on your own marriage.
I'm just trying to figure out how she thinks she's gonna win. She can't afford to buy her ex-spouse out of the house. She's filing for fee waivers now, which means she doesn't have enough money to start all of these illegal things that she's created. And now I'm the bad guy. My, how illuminating. It's just funny how the law seems to work more for criminals than it does for the innocent and the justice. Why is it that criminals get away with murder and get to keep just doing bad and bad and bad and bad and bad until, they get busted and then they become the acceptable monster.
Violation.
And then, somebody put them on the block.
You're in violation, Jackie.
Y'all see how this?
Jackie, you are in violation, Jackie. You can stop while you're ahead, or like I would just, damn.
Work. Just like in Devil's Advocate with Keanu Reeves. Just like that.
Just like that.
Anybody who has made massive amounts of money, had massive amounts of fame, been caught in scandals that were quickly covered up, anybody who's been caught in any of that is down with the fuck shit. Period. They get to you, they get on you, and then they run you. That's what that word. That's all that is.
And that's just why that why. Oh. Like this video. It's up and stuck here in the home of the lituation. Let's go.
They got to keep the lie machine. No. I do not believe Keanu Reeves has been compromised in that way. I think that's why his career hasn't gone further than it's gone. Because with the blockbuster movies that he's had, he should have had access to so much more. But anytime he tried to do work that stepped away from him looking like Neo or action scenes like Neo, like Sophia was absolutely right. Sophia Stewart, when she said, what's the difference between John Wick and Neo? There is no difference. They just changed the storyline up and they keep recycling this woman's work over and over and over again and making all of this money off of it. I guess that's why when the Wachowski brothers went to court, they didn't come dressed as a
Oh, we just hit the 3-hour mark when. We just hit the 3-hour mark when. Remember to like this video and support this video. Criminals get away with everything. Girl, you are the criminal. My. Jackie got all kinds of flags all over the place. Plus the birth ain't making no sense. What the fuck Anise got to do with any of this bullshit, okay? Dusty is also filing fee waivers. The fuck she talking about, okay? Yeah, so I don't know how she does it. Slowdale swatting at her head right now. That's why she going in and out, okay? Shut the fuck up, Jackie, already.
Wachowski sisters. No, but it's weird. It's weird as a transgender to make the change, to live as a woman, to be a woman. But when you go to court, you show up in a suit dressed like a man and answering to your government man name. You know what that is? It's a ruse. That's what it sounds like to me.
Slowdale, he know.
Who gets the most benefits from white supremacy? White women.
Oh, absolutely.
So,
well, I mean,
why be a man when you cosplay as a woman?
No, but see, this is the funny thing. And this is what's really funny that nobody's really paying attention to.
Why be a man when you can cosplay as a woman? I don't know. Slowdale, tell us. He said, why be a man when you can cosplay as a woman? Girl, I like being a man's. I don't even know what it's like to be a woman's. My. Oh, what's on your mind? Slow down. What is you over there thinking about, girl?
With the Wachowskis. And I'm just going to call them the Wachowskis because I'm not going to argue with them about their gender and how they want to identify. But when you use it as a ruse to make money and to get government aid so you can apply for something as a woman when you're still living as a man, that is a federal crime. So you're going to play trans so you can get government subsidies, LGBTQ subsidies, but when you get sued for stealing, you show up as a man. The Wachowskis should be kicked out of the whole LGBTQIA plus community because they only down with the community for financial benefit and gain so that they can get accepted. Because the truth is, they know they stole that script from Sophia Stewart. They know they ran with that movie without her permission. They know she took them to court. They know they lost. They don't talk about that, though. Hollywood don't ever talk about that. Ever. Just like, you know, other people who like to use their gender to get government subsidy and pretend that they're doing something good. Walking by faith on fraudulent paperwork. I wonder why Judge Ann Kiley don't pay more attention to people like that who get online and work with bad actors and forge paperwork.
My. What the fuck? Y'all like this video, like this video when?
I think J. Cole is trapped. That's what I think. I think he's trapped between a rock and a hard place. I think he signed that whole Rock Nation bullshit. And when he got the fuck in, he realized that's why he's taking a back seat because he don't want to have to explain to anybody how terrified he is of the diddler and the jigger man. He didn't step out of that beef because he didn't want to get burned down by Kendrick. He stepped down out of that beef because he didn't want to get targeted by Drake. Because Drake is down with the fuck shit. Okay. See? How crazy is that? Why is America always doubling down on liars? Why? Why does America seem to only promote evil and challenge and force the good into the darkness? Why? America. The symbol on our money, it says, in God we trust, and yet it's pledging allegiance to the Illuminati, to the all-seeing eye. When are we going to realize that America has been pump faking on God this entire time, pretending to be a godly nation, when in all actuality, they're a bunch of freaking criminals. And they're a bunch of Satanists, and the God that they serve is not the God that I serve, or the God that y'all think you've been serving. See, this is how it works. You take a people and you confuse them. You take them away from their culture. You take them away from all that they know, and then you force them to practice things. And if they don't practice them, they are punished. They are separated. They are removed. They are taken. There is no difference between now and 400 years ago, except for technology. Same plan. Same thing. Enslave, confuse, lie, manipulate, gaslight, traumatize, and monetize. Yes, they all worship the Baphomet.
Ooh, my. Like this video, like this video, like this video, and remember to support the show. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle, Crypto, PayPal, however you want to do it.
Of course, NASA has a hand in it. They're all busy trying to prove that they're better than God. That's what they're doing. They're sitting around trying to prove that they don't have to follow God to get to heaven, that they don't have to obey. We got 80 million laws, and none of them seem to work. God has 10 laws, and they work perfect. And as long as you follow them, you'll be great. Huh?
42.
What about 42?
42 oracles of mine.
Y'all better start learning the truth and stop accepting lies. See, that's why they created television, to put you in front of something where they can continue to subliminally hypnotize you, change your mindset. You know, remember when we was talking to old dude in Dallas, when we was at the barbershop that time? And I was talking about, you know, we need to get back to making preserves and can and jar. And he was like, man, when I was a kid, and my auntie would go down and get that, I want that jar. I want Smuckers. I said, and the stuff that you wanted was designed to kill you. The stuff in your auntie's jar was designed to nourish you.
My.
He's like, ain't that a bitch how they tricked us into wanting the bad things?
Yep.
Y'all gotta stop. Rather than talking about this election, we should really be talking about the spiritual aspect of what is going on here in America. We need to talk about that. They're playing with God. They're playing in God's face, and we're all going to suffer the consequences for it. Did Elvis Presley get taken advantage of by the industry? I don't know. It's possible. What I do know is that they all sat around him and watched him court a 13, 14-year-old girl, marry her at 15 and put a baby in her, and they said it was okay. What I do know is that Jerry Lee Lewis started having sex with his cousin Myra when she was 12 years old, and they were married by the age of 13. Now, they did stay together and have a lot of children. But that was a grown man impregnating a child. And they covered it up. We got to start remembering, yes, this is spiritual warfare. And see, they're covering it up with all this physical stuff. But what they really want you to do is be distracted. So you can't notice that they're teaching you how to lose your soul salvation. Government sanction. Don't let them help you lose your religion. And there's only one religion. There's only one God. All these people like tricking people into believing is this God and that God and this God is, but no. They're trying to confuse you. Don't let them. Don't let them play with your minds. Not anymore. Not after this year. Not in this election. Don't let them play with your minds. Vote with your conscience. I don't care who you vote for, but vote with your conscience. Don't vote for a liar, because all they're going to do is keep on lying. And to think Kim Kardashian running around the White House acting like she was helping people. I hope she learned something in law school, because it's looking like she's going to need to use that to defend herself. Hold on to God's hand and trust and know. I only serve one authority.
Like this video, like this video, like this video right now, and remember to support. Remember to support. My. Okay, so it looks like we got the movie. Blink twice when like this video, like this video, like this video, and remember to support the show. Remember to support the show. We can't do it without your support. We got Cash App, Super Chat, Venmo, Zelle, Crypto, PayPal, however you want to do it. Gather in close, gather in close, gather in close.
Authority. I only answer to one authority. And I don't stun on no human beings. See, this Masonic order that this country has been built on was designed to get you to worship the devil, not God. And that's America. And you can see it. All this sympathy for the diddler, all this cover for Sean Carter. They did the same thing for Epstein. They did the same thing for Weinstein. They did the same thing for Kelly. Why are people always protecting monsters and never standing up for the innocent? Why is justice just so often denied? And now we have these children. The simple fact that more people aren't talking about what is it going to take to find those children only proves they're not interested in those children being found. We're going to get it. We're going to get it together. Now, I got to go to work.
Jackie, you don't have a job. What job Jackie got? Do you honestly think Jaguar is lying? First of all, if she is blackballed, and mainly I know conceded, apparently Jag did PJR. Friend, I don't know what you're talking about. She fit right in with the nefarious politicians. Sybil, go get a job, okay? I don't know. Somebody said we need to start sweeping the floor, so I started. my. OMG, this devil Jaguar talking about God. Lord. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Remember to support the show. We can't do it without it. We can't do it without it. We can't do it without it. Directly after the show, we'll be live in the movie theater watching Blink Twice.
And I got to go to court. I don't know. Maybe I should just say fuck a lawyer. Maybe I should just represent myself pro se. Maybe that's what I need to tell my judge. That starting today, I'm going to represent myself pro se without an attorney. And I'm going to get all my charges dismissed regardless. Can't fool me. Sophia did do it. Take back control of your mind, G. Don't be like these idiots out here in the world. Follow the bouncing ball looking ass. Take back control of your mind. And pray for Lauryn Hill. And somebody go. Y'all want to troll somebody? Go troll Prize. Leave Lauryn alone. She's been through enough. Justice for Lauryn Hill. Real rap. Why is it that people sit around and watch black men attack black women and nobody stands up for black women?
What?
Y'all, keep Lauryn Hill in your prayers. And Prize, you a whack bitch. You +1 fucking hip-hop weirdo. You should be ashamed of yourself for suing Lauryn. You're the one that took her to Wyclef in the first place. While she was still a minor. You promised her mother that she wouldn't be taken advantage of. Guess you lied, Prize. Guess you lied. Prayers for Lauryn Hill. And prayers for Prize and his intellectual property. Oh yeah, that's 0. Because bitch, you really don't write shit. Don't nobody give no fuck about you. Your verses are about as valuable as a Talib Kweli album. Like, I'm out. I'll see y'all later. And thank you for supporting me. And thank you for showing up and supporting Piers. Time to get to my life. Peace. I swear to God. Only thing with the longer fingernails.
Yeah, just get all kind of shit and feces stuck up under them nails. When just disgusting. When Lord. Oh, now y'all come on over to the movie theater, watch it today. Okay, gratis. But tomorrow we're playing it on a receipt book and other places. Okay, on period. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So y'all come on over now. Come on over now, because it's the only time we're gonna be playing this outside of our paywall. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Gather in close. Gather in close. I'm over here trying to figure out how to download this motherfucker. Come on in, because I know this is a good movie. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Let me go and start the movie up. Okay, on period. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Because the girls are already coming over. Yes, it did. Blink twice. Okay. Yes, it did. All right. All right, so the movie is up. We'll be watching it directly after the show on the movie theater, in the movie theater on Discord. Y'all come on over and join us. Um, I don't know what to say. There's nothing left to say. There's nothing left to say. I showed you guys the receipts. Jaguar Wright has 2 warrants, and I have no reason to lie on Jackie. More insight on the life of Diddy. You know, a lot of people have been coming out. People that know Diddy, close friends of Diddy, said that, you know, what happened at Diddy's parties felt a lot like, you know, what happened in this movie. Blink twice, and that's why a lot of people like Jaguar Wright and Scrappy and others are shouting out Blink Twice, because apparently it's that good. Okay, and if you want to know what's going on with the Diddy oil, apparently the Diddy oil makes you forget. It makes you you know, see things. It heightens your senses and makes you, like, you know, makes like the party feels, you know, like more of a party. It's like, you know, party drug. So definitely come on over to the theater, check it out. Let's see what they're talking about. I hear it's a really, really good movie. So that's why I was campaigning to watch it when. Yes, it did. Oh, until next time, the receipt book link just made sure hands hurt. No, we're going just to the Discord, not the receipt book. We'll do this on the receipt book tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get it downloaded so we can just watch it, so anybody can watch it whenever they want. I'll put it on the receipt book, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see. I'm trying to figure out this thing right now. Until next time, I love you all with the love of Jesus, and I'll see you guys all soon. Thank you guys for coming out. We're headed to the receipt book in the movie theater. The movie is already up. Hold on. Let me see. Can I give you guys the link? Yeah, because everybody is invited. The movie is already up. I'm about to play the movie now. Until next time, I love you all with the love of Jesus. We're out of here. We're out of here. I'll be back on the main channel tonight. Done done. Did it done. Yes, it did. I'm about to go get me something to eat and come on back and catch the tail end of this movie with y'all. Until next time, adios. I love you all and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.